That is what we're working on. Right. Okay. So I'm gonna go to my chart now. This is the we are looking at the dollar index right now. Okay, because that's where most of the chunk of the daily direction is at. Okay, that's the chunk of where the daily direction is at. So I wasn't aware of FOMC. I think yesterday was it yesterday or the day before? Okay, the day before it was on Wednesday. I wasn't aware that there was an FP on that day. So that really like kind of changed my signals. Okay, that's changed my signals. But right now everything is back to normal. So this was just a quick lie or misdirection of the market. Now we cannot deny the fact that we cannot deny the fact that the dollar is still bullish based on the daily time frame because that's where we start to get the idea. Based on the daily time frame, we are bullish, going up. So that has not been changed. And when will that change? According to those who are using trend line strategy, you are waiting for this market to come below here before you can find a confirmation that you're going lower. Okay, this is what you want to see. Okay, which is very, very, very late, and that's why I hate this strategy. For most of you, you've seen I've been criticizing this on the social platforms. Yeah, because you're always chasing price. Okay, you're always chasing price, and you always get in late. You get out late. So once you jump in, you like if you take a trade, you want to hold a trade, and then instantly the market reverses. But the problem is because you just took the trade, you think the market should continue to go even lower or to continue for a couple of pips in that direction, only to find that you're going to be in 20 pips profit, 30 pips profit, and then the market reverse instantly. What leads to that? These trend line things, these trend line phantoms. The people who are continuing to do the trend line things is because this is what sells in the market. If, for example, I tell you in my mentorship and I say, the method that I'm using to trade, it's 714 method. What is that? How can I justify that? So people that don't know that, they're like, this thing is invalid. Why? Because they don't know it. But if I say I will teach you trend line strategy, wow, everybody wants in. Okay? So I don't care about what sells. Most people, they want to be influenced into doing this. I'm list of the guys who don't care. Okay? In as much as I'm trying to help out people with signals and other services as well, but I don't care, honestly. I make money with you or without you being available or being absent. I make money whenever I want to. Okay, I'm not bragging right now, but I'm showing you, I'm telling you the reality. Okay, that's the reality I'm living. Even if I don't send anything for a day, it's not that I did not trade, because I know when I go into the market what it is that I'm looking for. Okay, so the reason why I hate this, it's because it's so fucking late. It's so late. Trendline strategy is bullshit. Okay, and there's no mentor who use this. So the reason why they use it is because it sells. It sells. If I say I'm doing mentorship and I'm drawing these lines, people they think they're sexy and they want in. Okay, but once you do these ordinary things, they won't join. Okay, they won't join. So I don't care about who's buying, who's not, who's following, who's not. Okay, at the end of the day, you're gonna lose more than you're trying to save. There is no saving in this business. There is no saving in this business, and I will always be this way. For those who have been following me for quite some time now, they know their business. They know how I am, right? They know how I am. Okay. So thank you so much, LT. Thank you, Sanele. Thank you, Nia. Thank you, Venom. Thank you, Latif, Shimora, Goodwill. Okay, there's one step at a time. There's no need to rush. Okay. Thank you, Paul, Senaka, and Vincent. Welcome, you guys. Thank you for respect. And I hope that you really learned something from this session. Okay. Let's see. I haven't prepared anything. Okay. It's just a thought because right now I just got home on the other side because I live alone. So I just went to see family and I'm like, okay, I need to do something. I don't know if load shedding is going to come through today or not, or the network may cut off. So that's the destruction I'm living upon. and it's deteriorating my reputation. Okay, I haven't changed. Don't be like, man, I thought this guy was the best. What is happening now? Well, probably he lost it. I did not lost it. Okay, it's just these out of control incidences that keep on happening. Okay, and I cannot control it. Okay, I cannot control the power supply. I cannot control the network. Those things are beyond control. So let's say now, okay, now you're gonna say, Mashaya. So you're saying that trend line strategies don't work. So what do you use? I get the question so often, and I say trend lines. It depends on what mood you got me on. So they're like, okay, since you don't use trend lines, what is it that you're using? I'm using trend lines. Ah, yes. So I'm just bragging, but it depends on what mood you find. Because some people they tend to ask stupid questions, very stupid questions. Okay. There are people who ask me unnecessary questions, and I ask them, how much will that question make you? If you can tell me the type of question, how much it will, the answer, how much will it make you, then I will reply. But if it won't make you money, I'm not gonna reply. Just like, how much do I make in a day? Why do you give a fuck? Okay, I'm sorry about the language. Let me not go there. So NFP analysis. We're looking at the dollar index right now. Okay, let me put in the what they calling the name of it so that we can see and not get distracted because I want us to be on the really same page. Dollar index. On some other brokers, it may be USDX. Okay. I know most of people they don't look at this when they're trading NFP, they just go into the market, draw their trend lines and the one in, the one out. Right. So when I change my prices over here to white, so I'm going to change my foreground to white and bloom. I don't know why my laptop is flicking, but okay. So let's first consider price action for the past days or just for the week. So for this week, this was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is a daily time frame, as you can see here at the back. Okay, so on Monday we had most likely a range. Okay, pin on top, pin down, a range. So you may call this it's a spinning top, whatever. We have a doji here. The second day market wanted to follow up, but it didn't. Following day it went short. That day it came back on top, and then it went higher. That day went higher. Then this is where it is right now. So this is today. Okay, so we've been bullish and bearish. Technically, the bodies are equal, but we've been strongly bearish. So no matter what happened on Monday, Tuesday, and last week, but this week the bulls are still in control. Why? Because we're able to push the price higher. Okay, the bulls are in control because they're still dominating. Okay, so now the next thing that I want to teach you today is a trick. It's a trick. So take this candle yesterday, take yesterday's price. Cause why yesterday's price? Because yesterday's price gave us the highest of the week, regardless of today's price action. Gave us the highest of the week and the lowest of the week. Okay. So I'll mark it like this. The whole body. I'm using a daily time frame because once you go lower, you will no longer see these or see these levels. So and then I do what? I put a vertical line around the 50% of the range, the entire range, yesterday's price and today's price. So I'm putting my range over there, 50%. Okay. So since the dollar index is bullish, I wanted to live above this line. Okay, above this line that I just added. Above it. It should remain there. Okay. So I'm gonna delete this now. But over here, it should always be there. 50% of this low and that high. So as long as the market is above this line, let me look at the price in order for you to maybe resonate with this price. Okay. So the actual price is 103.127. 103.127. So that is the price that you can pay attention to on your chart. Okay, that's what you need to mark. Now I'm gonna zoom in. I'm not gonna go to H4. I'm gonna go to H1 because that's how I look at price action. So now coming to H1, here's the red, the it's brown, the brown line. I'm saying above this line, I'm focusing on buys. Above this line, I'm focusing on buys. Below it, I'm focusing on sells. So the market at the moment is currently above this line. It has not gone below it. So that gives me the confidence to what? Focus on bullish confirmation. So what is it that the market does if it's bullish? What is it that the market does if it's bullish? Can I take questions? I need answers. What is it that the market does if it's bullish? What will it do? I just want to check your knowledge. Raise your hand and tell me what should happen if the market is bullish. Where do you take your entries? What is it that you need to see? Where do you buy? I just want to hear your opinions. I'm going to give you the answer of my opinion, but I just want to hear what is it you think. Here's the current price action right now that you're looking at. Okay, what reason will cause you to buy or sell over here? I'll give you a minute. Raise your hand, and then I'll point you out. So I'll allow you to speak. Let's talk, guys. This is a dialogue. Okay, raise your hand. There's no wrong answer. Just kidding, there is. But let's talk. Okay, it's a live stream, and I want you to learn, and I want you to be here with me. Okay. Show of hands, raise your hand. If you don't know, just click on, I think, on this side. Okay, let me log in with my phone so I can see. I know some people are going to complain about network, like they couldn't catch this. But don't tell me. Excuses, they don't make me money. Excuses don't make me money. So keep it, or tell it to your mom, rather. Okay. Don't be like, Mashaya, couldn't meet because of blah, blah, blah. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm seeing one hand. One hand is up. So anybody have a question? When do you buy? So you mean all of these people, there's only one person who bought. There's only one person here who's taking a buying trade. Why did you buy? Why do you buy when you buy? That's my question. Okay. The reason why I'm asking that question, why do you buy when you buy? It's because over here, you know that there's a possibility that you could buy. Why? Because the market is still bullish. So now, what is it that you want to see in order for you to execute? Okay, let me take the first person. I see Neo in the goats. Yeah. So I'm going to allow you to speak, Neo. Okay, the second person is Shimora. I'm seeing that his hand as well. So, Neo, please press unmute on your, I'm not sure whether you're using your phone or laptop, but it's there. It's going to show. Okay.
I no longer see the chart.
Oh, okay. Wait. I was looking on with my phone, then it's changed everything. But you don't need to see the chart. You don't need to see the chart because I'm checking.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm checking what is the reason for you to buy. Okay, because what I'm doing right now, think of me as a thought in your mind. You are into the market, you want to execute, you want to buy. So I'm the voice in your head, like you want to buy, right? So what's the reason for you to buy? So I'm the voice in your mind. That is how you should always react to yourself. So I want the reason. What are you looking for in order for you to be convinced that you should buy? That's the question.
Okay. Whatever I see there, I see the market is in the bullish way. It's an uptrend.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Then I say let me just say before, like, you see where's your blue line there?
Yeah, I see the blue line.
Yeah, there's a is it a doji or what is it, that candlestick?
It's a bearish hammer.
Okay, yeah, a bearish hammer. Then the markets just go sideways. Right? Am I
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
like
Continue.
Then those last three, yeah, bearish candlestick, those are ways that are going down. It's like the market is trying to, what is this? The market is breaking down, but then you have to wait for the market to finish. Then you can look where you can enter your trade so that you can buy. Am I right or wrong?
Now continue. Um,
Yep.
do, do not seek my confirmation.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
explain. Yeah.
Well, I'm lost, but I'm trying to understand because whatever you said was right, but I'm trying to understand well. But then before, like you told us, I was just going to say I'm going to sell, but as you know, I'm wrong. But as you said, it's going to buy. But then
No,
now is it a buy?
no, listen. I haven't
Yep.
given the signal yet. I haven't
Oh,
given. Yes. So right
oh,
now, yeah, right now I'm trying to see, like,
oh, our knowledge.
yes, I'm trying to like make you realize how you should handle yourself before the trade.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Yeah, that is the everybody. This is for everyone. Like, listen, guys. Right now, I am trying to bring you to the awareness of how you should handle yourself before the trade. Okay, because market is not about analyzing and executing. So, right here, for example, there are people who know that you should buy support. I personally, I buy below support. So by the time you blow, that's when I enter. Most people they buy support. I buy below support. Most people put their stop loss below the low. I put my entry below the lows. You get the point. So
Yeah, but get
that
you,
is,
I get you.
yeah, that is what I wanted to check with you. Guys, also, if you want the phone to, like, my screen to be clear on your side, just make your phone landscape. And okay, I'm just showing you the tip of Telegram. So make your phone landscape, and know what, you can zoom in on the charts. You can zoom in on the chart to look at where I am pointing exactly, and then you can see. But if your phone is landscape, you can be able to see the charts clearly. Okay.
Yep, yep,
What you want. Yeah. Okay. So now I haven't given the signals yet, but I'm
yep,
just I'm gonna give out the signals or my opinion toward the end of the session. But right now I'm just trying to check your general knowledge, guys, of how
yep.
you preview the markets. Okay. But right
Okay.
now we are bullish. For me, I'm bullish as long as the market remains above this line. Above this line. Let me make it
That brown
bolder.
line.
Yeah, that's brown line. So if the
Yeah.
market remains above it, we are bullish, still bullish. But once they go below it, then there's a possibility of change in direction. So I'm bull, we are above, I'm bear, below. Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah. So now I wanted to check your reason. What is it that would cause you to buy? If this market is gonna go bullish at the appointed time, what is it that you want to see?
Okay, I'll wait the candlestick to fall. Oh, is it going to fall? That's the question. But then that brown line, there's like if the candlesticks like falls down like, to that brown that until it reach that brown line, I'm gonna say like I'll wait for like what happened before, like before those hours, what happened before, and like check where's the trend, and is the market sideways? Is it still sideways or is it, yep, yeah, is it sideways or what? Then I'll look here. As I see here, I see here, what is this? No, it's not a double, a pennant. Yeah, it is a pennant.
While you're talking
Yep,
about
then I'm,
this,
yes. If it goes down though, if it goes down to that brown line,
yeah.
Yeah. Then if it reaches there, I'm going to what is it? The bearish. Yep. Down. I'm going to buy.
Okay, whereby over here.
Nope. You see where's the yep. Yeah. If it
Here's the
reaches
brown
there,
line.
yep. If it reaches the what's the 103, 117, right?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. I'm going to do what is it? A buy stop.
Oh,
If it reaches there, then I'm going to buy.
all
If it
right.
still goes sideways, I'm going to wait.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Uh,
Yeah. Mm,
okay. All right. Since the others who want to to talk, so
yeah.
I want to prolong the session. So now I understand. Listen, guys. He's saying that if the market comes here, he's gonna
Yeah.
set what a buy limit. That's his sentiment for today. If the market goes up down here, he's going to set what? A buy limit, not a it's a buy limit, not a buy stop. Because the buy
Okay.
stop
Yeah.
is like we are continuing. But the buy
Yeah.
limit is you going opposite direction. Like if it reaches to this price, I want you to automatically put me in profit, like put me in the trade. So you're gonna set a
Okay.
buy limit like this, as you can see here, buy limit, and then you adjust it to where you want it to be. Okay. Why? Because FOMC, NFP is fast, so it could be a drop and then back up. So that's the possibility. Right. So I understand your position right now. That is what you want to see, and your reason is you had a bearish, a doji. Sorry, it's a bearish hammer here, and then back up. Okay, now I'm trying to reason it myself. So, okay, and then markets went down. Okay, let me take the second person and see what is it that they think they want to see. What is it that they want to see? Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Can I ask?
Shimora, yeah,
What? Which currency pair is it? Oh, it's not a currency pair. What is it?
it's the dollar index.
Oh,
It's the
okay.
dollar
Okay.
index. So
Okay.
this
Thank you.
reacts, yeah, the dollar index reacts exactly. If the fundamentals are bullish, it's gonna be bullish. If it's bearish, it's gonna be bearish. So it moves exactly to where the market is going. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay, for your information, you're looking at this, and then what should you focus on? You will focus on all the dollar based currencies, such as USD CHIF, USD CAD, USD AUD, USD ZAR. Um, okay, just those are the popular ones. I'm not going to focus on all the other, blah, blah, blah. But
Yeah.
you know what you're looking at the dollar bases. So they will always, okay, this is a lifetime lesson. Dollar-based currencies will always move in hand with the dollar index. Okay, they will always move the same direction, always. So that's a lifelong lesson. As long as you are trading, that rule applies. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let me take up the next person, Shimora. I hope that you're ready. Shimora. Right. Hi, Shimora. Let's move on. Shimora. Let's work. I know this session is gonna be boring for a lot of people because when people they join these sessions, they just want to see trend lines crossing, going down, going up, and they don't realize that that mentality never helped them in terms of profitability. Okay, it's really never helped them. Right. Hi Shimara. Let's talk. Oh. Unmute yourself. Press unmute. Let's talk. Time is money. Vincent, you are next. Vincent Sikwan, you are next. Who else had his hand up?
There you go.
There you go. Uh, you still can't use your phone, so you want mentorship on using your phone also.
No, I'm in now. I'm in now. Hey, I was looking for this thing.
All
Yeah.
right. What's your opinion?
Hey, my opinion. I was going to look this kind of stick that is now. Very close.
Okay.
Yeah, this last one. If around there, uh, I'll I'll take a buy because it's looking like it's reducing to go down. So I will take the buy if it's close around there. But if it's close going down there, I'll wait till it's close.
Okay.
But I see it look like it's going down. And the next one I see is gonna going down.
Yeah,
But
it's a
yeah,
okay.
you see for this
Yeah,
one, pull down a little bit.
okay, let me put this like this.
No. You see before that one can before that candle.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
The horizontal on there. Yes. I'll wait. If it breaks this one, uh,
Okay.
I'll give up on buying.
All right. I just deleted my chat. Just a minute.
Mm.
Okay. Let's restart everything. Okay, make it straight. Let me delete this limit. Now that's my 50%. So I have this range marked out, which is this low here. Here and then right, and then we're back to where we were. What's this? Right, continue.
Oh yes. Now it's closed already.
Oh yeah, it's already closed because it's 12 now, and this is H1, so it's
Yeah,
the next hour.
yeah. No, it didn't break that one, the last one on 11 o'clock. So I'll see the buy here because that one didn't block that one, the last candle.
Okay. Mm. Mm.
But I will wait and see.
So you're going long as well. Okay. So now I have two people who are bullish. I have two people who are bullish. So we are having bullish confirmation also. All right, that's fair. So the momentum above this line, I want us to focus above this line. So we're still bullish. So we have two people which are still bullish, and I myself am bullish as well. So okay, I understand your point. Which strategy are you using to trade personally? What do you use for confirmations?
I used to use that trend line and 20 MA
Oh, okay.
moving up. Say that one.
Moving averages. Okay. Let's put one and see. I haven't used those in a while.
Uh,
Moving average.
20 MA,
Number 20.
yeah, 20s.
Yeah, traders. Okay, according to an ace, below price. So I don't know whether you
Yeah,
wait for it. Yeah. What? So it's still showing the willingness to go lower. Okay, it's still
yeah.
showing the willingness to go. Yeah.
But
On,
if you put like this, I will see it going down on this MA that I'm using. So according that starting that I'm using, I checked that one as a Bollinger Bond, but I checked the 20 MA. So it's looking it's going down here.
yeah.
Yeah, now it's changing now when we put this thing.
Let me go to M15 and see if it speaks the same language. Okay, M15 is still showing the willingness to go lower. Seductive.
Yeah,
Yeah. Right. The reason why I'm saying it's seductive, it makes you want to enter into the direction. So, mind you, everything's gonna speak of going down up until the table is turned, and then Adele is gonna say. So, okay, okay, I'll carry it there. I'll
okay,
carry it
okay.
there. So, according to your confirmation, we're going lower according to this. Okay, so now you have two mentality. Without the moving average, you are long, but with it, it tells you to go short. And I posted something yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? I posted something on my Facebook for those who are following me on Facebook. I said that um, just like these moving, like the trend line strategies, it's like these are market maker strategies because most of the time they are bound to make you lose. It's like they are those guys who may, I don't know if that exists. I'm not sure if that's true. Like if as a trader, if you lose money, then someone is making money out of you. So I'm not sure if how realistic that is. So most of these tools that people are using, it's like they're like that. It's like they're like that. So the more you lose, and it's like they were designed for you to lose, and that is like kind of spreading the wrong perception of the market. Okay, the wrong perception of the market. So I will give out my answer in the beginning, but I'm not saying you're wrong, and I'm not saying you're right. I'm in the middle. I'm 50-50 both sides. So right. So tune in. Make sure if you get disconnected due to network, get on top of the roof, and let's continue. Right. Let me take Vincent now. So stand by. Vincent. It's Vincent Sekwani. Vincent, there's only one Vincent here. So Vincent, it's only you. I don't know if maybe you call yourself by other name. Maybe they call you Vince or they call you Sand. Which one? Are you Vince or Sand? Vincent, let's start, Baba. Press unmute on your phone. It should be just there on your screen. Let me see. Yeah, it's showing on the screen. It's in the middle because it's and unmute and then camera. Just press unmute. Is this video? Oh,
You can hear me.
can you hear me? Clear.
Yeah. First of all, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Yes, sir.
I'm good. I'm good. Thanks.
Yeah.
Me by looking at the chart,
Yes, sir.
By looking at the chart is bullish.
Yeah.
Yeah, the chart is bullish. Can you display the 4-hour chart? I just want to see something.
Yeah. This is 4 hour.
4 hour. Yeah, now I always analyze on a 4-hour chart. Then 1 hour I look at the trend direction, but sometimes I trade on the 1 hour on.
Okay. You take the entry on 1 hour.
No, I analyze on a 4-hour chart.
Yeah.
Then the market direction, I look at the 1 hour time frame. But sometimes when I see a signal on a one time frame, I enter it.
Oh, okay.
Usually I enter on 15 time frame, 5 minutes.
So, all right. I understand.
Oh yeah, I saw something. So go back on a 1 hour time frame.
Okay. You see what you wanted here.
Yeah.
What were you looking for? No, don't be afraid. I know all of the strategies. There's no strategy that doesn't exist out there that I do not know of. I've done so much over the 5 years in trading.
Yes, I'll tell you. Please go back to the 1 hour chart. I'll tell you.
Okay. This is where we are.
Okay. You said that you see the blue line.
Yeah. Which one? Bottom or low? Bottom or high? This one or this one?
The one that broke the structure there. That candle, you said it's a bearish hammer.
Yeah, this one, yeah.
Yeah, a bearish hammer, and my phone is giving me problems. You can hear me?
Yeah. No, you clear. Don't worry about your voice. You clear.
Yeah, what I see is that the market broke the structure to the upside, then it retraces back. So for me, I will wait until it taps that red line.
Okay.
You see that red line?
Yeah, I see it. This
Yeah,
one.
that red line. If the market taps that red line, it might push to the upside. If it goes down, then it might retrace where there's a break of structure down there. I don't know if you understand me.
Yeah, no, I get your point.
Just
Okay.
when that, you see that tall candlestick, the green one.
This one.
Yeah, there. You see, mark that. You see that tail. That will go. Yeah. No, not that one. Not that one.
This one.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Okay.
The market might retrace there, cause
Okay, so make it.
yes, yes, the market might retrace there or above that break of or above that candlestick
Okay,
or
so somewhere around here.
yeah, where there is a red line, it might have then go above.
Okay. So your language is by language I mean your understanding. Your understanding is you can buy or you want to buy anywhere around here. Okay, anywhere around here, but you don't want to see the price go below this price. That's your communication.
Yes,
Yeah, you are buying somewhere around here. If the market continues to go down, but if it goes below this price, then you're closing off. Okay, let me ask you a question. You're buying here. Let's say you're buying at this blue line. This one.
Mm.
Where will you put your stop loss? Where will you put your stop
Where
loss?
my stop loss?
Yeah.
Um, stop loss or you see that candlestick there?
This this one or this one.
That bullish candlestick.
Bullish. This one.
Yeah,
Or, or this one. Okay.
yeah, yeah. That
So
one.
you
That
put it at
one.
the bottom.
That one
You put it at the bottom.
yeah.
Okay.
Or I'm wrong.
No, don't be scared. Be comfortable. Just be yourself. Be yourself.
No,
Think
I'm
of me.
scared.
No, don't be. I can sense that you're scared and you're holding your breath there. Do not be fearful of being wrong. Okay? Don't be fearful of it. Trust yourself. Trust your analysis. Okay? I get blind spot too sometimes. I know when I'm fully confident I go all in, but I get blind spots sometimes. And then I get triggered a bit. And then later when I look at the market, like, God, I didn't see that. But the market actually delivered. So trust your analysis. Right now, think of yourself as someone who's doing a presentation about markets. You're teaching somebody else trading. In as much as you're talking to me, but you're teaching the other person who's listening to this live stream. I'm not gonna tell you how many people are here because you might end up being more fearful. Okay, so now for everyone, like guys, as I'm speaking to Vincent, take it as if I'm speaking to you directly. So there is no need for you to be fearful. Okay, you're just telling me how price action is working. You learn better when you share with somebody else. Okay. Most traders they need someone who can be like me to talking to. That's why you need mentorship people. Because in my mentorship, I speak like I'm talking to you. Okay, I'm more aggressive on mentorship. I will not lie because my reputation is on the line when I'm doing mentorship. So I'm more like strict than this because everything that I pull out, everything that I put to your attention is specific. So I'm more serious in my mentorship because it's not guessing things for real. So if I say that you need to see this exact thing, you need to see that exact thing. So you cannot tell me this looks like it. I think this will no. Everything that I teach is specific. Okay. So right now I'm trying to be the voice in your mind that before you take the trade, this is more like a self-check. What is there you need to check within yourself before you take the trade? So this is the conversation that should go behind your mind right now. That's what I'm putting to you guys. Okay, and I know these so-called mentors that you praise so much for drawing trend lines and you think they're the best. Like, what's proof that they're the best? Because they post blues. Mentorship is most of these so-called people you call mentors, they are not even close to being mentors. They just know how to make a video of drawing trend lines. Mentorship is serious, very serious, because you need to train the person psychologically. Once you fix the person's mind, you can do like 10% of the chart. The chart is nothing, and you see those people drawing trend lines here and there, break, repair, retest, buy, enter, risk management. Just put your stop loss, apply proper risk management, and they're done. Okay, so over here I'm giving you a taste of my of how I mentor a person and the checkups that I do. Okay, luckily no one has ever given up. As hard as I am, no one has ever given up. But in the end, they just praise me like, "Wow, bro." I'm like, yeah, you see, in the beginning, you were fearful of nothing. In as much as people they want to make money, once let me tell you something. In as much as you guys, all of you, okay, in as much as you want to make money, once you start making serious money, you're going to become fearful. It's scary because you won't even believe it's you. You won't trust that it's you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. So, you don't have to be scared. Just be yourself. Do the things right. This is how you should carry yourself whenever you're doing this. Okay?
Okay.
Wait. Let's just do more. Okay. She's going. All right. Okay, there, we're back. So that's how I need you to be. All right. So you don't have to be scared. Just relax. Be yourself. It's you and the chat, and I'm the thoughts in your mind. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
So now you enter here. Okay, you're going to enter anywhere around here. So that is like 30 pips, but 30 pips is more expensive because this is a dollar index. But let's just say within that this 30 pips range, you're going to execute, and then you gonna put your stop loss here. Oh, you said right there. Okay, I'm teaching, and guys, I'm teaching you so many things at once in this session. I'm teaching you so many things at once. I'm teaching you how to be mentally prepared. I'm teaching you how to frame your setups. I'm teaching you how to do a self check. I'm teaching you where to apply your proper risk management. I'm teaching you to be aware of your market. You need to know your chart. I mean, this structure here, the exact same structure you're seeing right now, this is not the first time this thing is happening. It's not. It's not the first time this thing is happening. So if you don't know what's coming after here exactly, that shows that you do not know your market. If you don't know what's coming here till the till NFP, that means you do not know your market. Okay, this here, just this portion here, this is the message that I'm going higher. This is the message that I'm going higher. Why? Because we have a low here, and then the market went higher over there. It went even higher instead of going. So if the market was bearish, this high would have been like this would have been a higher low. This would have been lower, or this on the left to the right, showing that it's failing to go up. But here they're like, hey, we're still going higher, and then they come back down. So it's a trap. It's seductive price action. I call it like seductive. The market will seduce you to take trades or particular trades. Fall into the trap and then you lose. Okay, so you enter here. This is your entry along anywhere here. Okay, stop loss right there. So where's your target? Where are you getting out on this trade?
Sir?
Where are you getting out there? Where are you taking profits? Now let's say you took the trade. So where are you gonna take your profit? Where are you gonna pay yourself?
Let me just start over. Let me just explain something then.
Yeah, I'm listening. I'm listening.
You see where the market will test there at the red line. If it taps there with a tail, I'll just wait. I'll just wait for a break of structure to the upside.
Okay.
Okay, so if the break of structure happen, then I'll trigger. I'll execute and trade a bad trade. But as you said, but hey, it's a trap. Yeah, it's a trap. I didn't realize something.
Uh, right. Okay. Now I understand your point of entry. Now my question is, where is your target? Where are you getting out of this?
Above that high.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we have an let's just say A, B, and then C. So this is what we're expecting.
Yes.
Okay. Right. More realistic. You're not wrong. You are not wrong. This is your preview of the market because we want to do this. I'm not sure what it's me, but you guys, all of you who I've spoken to, I think it's because I've added this line. Now you like around there. You're trying to cheat me. Okay, you're not wrong. You're not right. So stand by. We are going to continue with this session. Right. Anyone who has any different opinions?
Let me just ask you something.
Oh, okay.
If a daily time frame, ne?
Yeah.
If a daily time frame and no, a weekly time frame, daily time frame, and a 4-hour chart frame are buying, we should look for buying opportunities.
If the daily time frame is bullish,
Yes.
yeah, that's the idea. You're looking for a bullish confirmation. That's why my question was, what is the reason you buy every time? If the market is bullish, what do you look for to buy? What is it that you want to see in the market that is going to click your mind and say, I'm buying here? That was the question. Okay. Because that is I'm not saying that it will be spiky buying. It will be bearish. In a way, sometimes it will drop in a way that you'll be convinced like, it's dropping. Did you see how during an FOMC over here, did you see how the dollar crashed? There was no point or direction for this. There was no sign this was going to happen. Like yesterday, there was no indication that market is going to go up or even higher. Because even for those who trade the break and retest, let me show you how nonsensical the break and retest strategy is. Look here. So that's how we could have drawn it based on the strategy. Okay. Because you will make few bucks, but one trade is gonna take you out. Okay, look here, we could have bought there, bought here, and then it comes here, did what? You were supposed to buy here, isn't it? Because why? It's touching the trend line. You had to buy here. What did it do? It crashed, went all the way down. You bought there, and when it comes back here, you know it's what? A break. It's a retest. You're supposed to what? Sell. What do you do? Crash up. It's rallying to the upside.
Yes.
So by the time you realize like you out, you're totally blown. Look at that. This is support, trend line support. You have to buy there according to the laws of this. You have to buy. Fact, market can back up. It's retesting. Look here, it even gave the bearish candlestick. You chase it down, hoping that it's going lower. You buy, you sell, and then it went higher. Then today, chasing it up, back down. That's how painful it is. Okay, so that's why I hate when I started trading. Was it 2018? 2018 earliest, and then 19 more focused. I was trading with trend line strategies, and I got fucked. I have to say that so many times, and it hurts, and I lost so much. Okay, so this thing doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't. Um,
The trend line, the
right.
trend line don't work.
You say?
The trend line don't work. I believe that the trend
Yeah,
line don't work.
the trend line strategy it's wrong. Like the bounces, it works, but the winning probability is very low. The winning probability is very low. Like right now I can trade with it. because I know when it works and I know when it's not gonna work. So when these guys they teach you this, they just do that live stream and then they draw in trend lines like this, and you look at it like, wow, that's easy. It's buying, okay? So he's like, when you see this, you buy here, you buy here, you buy here, you buy, and look here. You're supposed to buy here, isn't it? Maybe now
Yes.
you've been making money from here, 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 making money, jumping in, making money, and then all of a sudden the market comes here. You've been making money all this way, and then you increase what? Your lot size. Why? Because you've been winning a couple of trades. You increase your lot size, and then boom, you put one standard lot there, 20 pips down, you are out. Out. 20 pips, not even no. So this is how painful this business is. Look, 50 pips, you out. One trade. You've been making money, yes, money. One trade, you fucked. So there is no way of knowing if this is gonna work. Some will say if it touch once, touch twice, touch 3 times, 4 times, then the 5th time it breaks, the 4th time it breaks. Why? Because sometimes it just touches once and it never goes there. It never works. It will work sometimes. Look here. Look. Buy here, buy here, buy here. You were supposed to buy here, isn't it? It went down. And when you're crying, it went up. Back to the you're already blown.
Yeah.
You're already blown. See, the problem is people they add trade as it goes up. Add trade. But you can win consistent trades in following, but one trade will take your entire account, including the profit. Not even that is gonna take the profit that you made, the entire account. Because there's no way of confirming with it. Because every time you've been told if it goes back down there, you buy. If it goes up there, you sell. But one trade, I'm telling you, 1 or 2 trades, they're always going to fuck you up. Because come there the first time, you won't trust it. Second time, like, nah, I think not. Third time, and then like, oh, I'm taking this one. You take it, it goes up. And once you take it here, you want it to go up forever. That's another thing I hate about this strategy. Because once you see it breaking here, you want the market to run up as fast as it can. And then it just reverses and kills you. So you take trade there, you went up, you were holding, hoping for this. Just like test my knowledge, test the things I'm saying right now. Go to Facebook, look at the trend line analysis. You will see the errors are flying. The arrows are flying. Because they're always expecting a market to rally and to spike exponentially, to expand. It's the most manipulative strategy that I've ever seen in the market. Because every time you work, you take it, you're expecting the markets to rally. You'd see those guys who are trying to make sales, and they'll be like, you're saying this because you do not know how to use the strategy. That's why you're saying it. You don't know how to use it. I'm like, oh, okay. I know they're making it just to gain momentum in that time. But I know the fact. Most of the traders are popular, besides DJ Coach. He doesn't know the market. He's just guessing. He doesn't know the market. Okay? He's a guesser.
He's a guesser.
Because over here, right there, let's just say the market is here right now. Okay? I put a buy limit there. I put a sell limit here. Sell stop. Buy limit, sell stop. I'm guessing. I don't know which direction is going to work. So I'm just guessing. I buy on another account, I sell on another account. Till when? So in the next few years, he's going to claim that he has 10 years of market experience and he's been making money with what? Guessing? Okay, so do not compare yourself to those traders. At least you guys are trying, you're doing the real thing. You know what it means. Okay, these guys are like, I don't want to call them anyway, but this is the real thing. Guessing does not work. Are you going to teach your kids to guess? Are you going to teach your family members to guess? Let's say now you have to teach someone in the family to trade. Are you going to teach them to guess? Son, you put your buy limit here. It will buy here. It could sell here. You're not sure. You're selling something that you're not even sure of. Okay? Like right now, if you can teach one of your siblings what you know, will they make money? Let's say you decide to sit down, one of your siblings or family member or friend decide to listen to you. They're going to do everything that you're telling them regarding the market. Will they make money?
No.
That's a self check. But you are continuing to trade with the very same information that you have no trust of, and you're hoping to make money. You're going to pay for using the wrong thing. That's what I like about the market. It disciplines people. Okay.
You
Right.
always donate money.
So you're always donating, and then the market looks like it's evil, it's bad, it's wants people's money, but it's them who are always doing the wrong thing. And the problem about doing the wrong thing consistently is that you end up being locked up into doing this something that is wrong. It ends up being permanent in your mind.
Mm.
So you do something that is wrong to a point that it becomes like it's the right thing. That's the trap. Because people are like, no, I'll just keep on practicing. Eventually, I'll get it right. Eventually, I'll get it right. And one day, I'll make that one trade that is going to make me huge. But you've been wasting almost 4 years doing nothing. There are people who started trading long ahead of me, way before me. I was even in school, but they've been blowing ever since. I've like teachers, okay.
Mm.
Some of the teachers who taught me in high school about this thing, there was one who brought it to my attention, like, hey, there's something like Forex. And then I ignored the guy. And then I continued on my way to college. Then at college, I met a guy who was doing it. And I'm like, okay, let me just look at this now. Let me focus on it. And then that's why I figured it out. I played along. I went through my losses. Then I ended up winning. And then I came back later on. And I went to the guy like, hey, I'm doing what you told me now, but I'm making a few bucks now. And I showed him things that he has never seen. And he's been losing ever since, from the beginning. Imagine, the guy started trading when I was in class. And he has never even made a cent. And then I finished school, went to college, came back, learned Forex trading. I came back to teach him. That's why I started making money.
I feel so sorry for them.
Yeah,
But
it's not just him. It's not just him. Okay. There are others as well. There are others. So many people. Why? Because they're taking the market for granted. They're taking the market for granted, and it usually doesn't sit well with them. Started making money when I taught him, like, look, just look at this, look at this. One day, I went to he invited me to his house, and then we traded. He made like 10K with me there within an hour. I was like, look, let's take an entry here before I leave. We analyzed, we took the entry, we made money just like that. Okay. But it's only the person who's able to listen to me who get the money, who makes the funds. So, guys, you can spend the next 5 years, you can spend the next 10 years doing the wrong thing. There's no point whereby eventually, like automatically, then click, now you should be a winning trader. It doesn't help. It doesn't. I remember when I was a novice trader in the beginning, I once blew in an account because I thought maybe eventually the market will reward me. Maybe they'd feel sorry for me. So I traded up until I got to that point, like maybe the person on the other side will feel sorry for me, and then I'll be funded. And it didn't happen. It didn't happen. I blew the account. So that's the trap that a lot of people are setting themselves upon, thinking that they eventually gonna get it right sometime. Guys, I'm here for you. Like, I don't know you, you don't know me, and I don't know what I'm doing right now. I should be sitting there, maybe being in town, having ice cream, whatever I wanted, just doing nothing at this hour, very same hour. But I'm doing this. We met for a purpose, and you guys are doing well. So yeah, let me take the next. Let me. Do you have any other questions?
Yes.
Yeah, let me take one more question, then I can get to my preview of the market.
No, like a lot of traders why they get twisted is because of they can have the best mentors in the game, but if they don't work, they won't see results. These things like school, your teacher teaches you 7 periods, teaches everything in the morning till after school. The next, and he gives you an homework. The next thing you don't do the homework, you won't understand.
Yeah,
So if a mentor is saying do this, you must do that in order for you to see results.
it's a must. And the problem, which is a trap, um, like every one of you here, I'm not doing this because of money. Okay, I know somewhere along the way money has to be included, but the reason why I started this mentorship business, I started a company, it's not because I wanted to make money. The reason was the suffocation of the people who wants to learn to trade. And the people who are in the lead or who are in the eyes of the market, who claim to know more about the market, they do not know the market. It's just that they caught the name Forex. So it was like handed to them. And then people went flooded into those guys. So they took the money, maintained the lifestyle, and make it as if they're making money in the market. Okay.
Mm.
So there is no way a guy who claims to be who claims to be a billionaire, making from trading, he's a billionaire from trading, but still charges 20K to see him. Like, seriously? So I'm not saying that they are wrong. Okay, you should pay to a certain level. You should be paying to a certain level in order for you to be disciplined. Because I know people don't take free stuff very seriously. Just like this session, there's
Mm.
over 8,000 people in my public channel. Over 6,000 on Facebook. I'm not sure about the other website like socials I have, but the people who are online right now, it's okay. I cannot see the number here, but it's sure less than 20. Okay, why? Because it's a free
And
session. It's a free session.
I have your WhatsApp page. So if you don't mind, maybe later on I'll WhatsApp you and share my strategy with you. I'll show you some things. So
I don't do that. Unfortunately, I don't do that because number one, I have so many people in my WhatsApp, over 2,000 contacts. So you may send me. I had so many people who wanted to do that, and eventually it never works out. Because you send me your analysis, you want me to verify it for you, and I send you my opinion, but still you're gonna want the way that you're looking at the market to work. So you're not going to accept the way that I'm showing you to look at the market. I know it doesn't work. I've done it with other people who tried it. It didn't work. So multiple times. Okay. Even though these so-called mentors, the things that I'm saying about the mentors you praise, we have a group. There's a group for mentors. There's a group for mentors, and I'm there in that group. So some
mm,
of the things I'm just breaking the ends loose. So I'm telling, like, sharing publicly the things that I'm going, like, these people are hyperbolic, like exaggerating what Forex does, highly exaggerating. So
yeah.
I share some of the content to bring awareness to people. But my point in that is, even if I share my best analysis and the other guys share his best analysis, we never agree as mentors still.
I get you.
So there's no way that if maybe you think that's gonna help you advance, no, unless if you learn the way that I trade, unless that you learn my strategy and I teach you that, then that's where I can talk to you. The only person I talk price with are people who have been under my mentorship, because I know we're speaking one language. They say, "Hey, I'm looking at this, yeah, the same thing," and they
Yeah.
getting the exact thing. Those are the only people who are exact copy of me. Maybe not by the character, maybe not by uh, continuing to provide mentorship in any way, but according to the chart, silently going to the chart and marking the zones. They are the best because they do everything exactly as I'm doing, right? Okay, now I'm gonna have to cut you because we've been talking for longer now. So I might have to take somebody else. If you have any questions, you might or you will have to inbox me, okay? But not the trade confirmation stuff. I don't like to do that because yeah, I just don't. I mentioned the reasons. So I'm gonna take the next person. Okay, I'm gonna take the next person. Then we're
Okay.
gonna go to live chats. I'm gonna share my analysis, my view of what I'm expecting to see on like with the FOMC stuff with NFP and JAD. Okay, I see one more hand. I'm gonna take that hand. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, there's only one hand up. Okay, now there's two. All right. All right. Thanks, Vincent. We're gonna talk. I will come back to you if I have another question. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Um. Okay. Let me take one more here. I see the kid. The kid. I'm gonna take. I'm not sure you got the question what. Or you wanna share? Okay. The question, guys, was the question was, what do you look for in order for you to take the trade? What convinces you to actually press the execution button? We are right. The trend is bullish. So when do we take the trade? What is it that we want to see in order for us to execute? That was the question. Right. The kid, you are next. You might unmute yourself and then talk. And then Milano. Milano, you are next. Okay. After this guy, then it's gonna be Milano. I'll talk to my student. I have my student here. Mthethwa, yeah, Mthethwa. So I'm gonna talk to one of my students, and then I'm gonna share my analysis, my preview of today's market, what I'm gonna see. And I'm also trying to push to the main hour so that I can like share something that is more realistic. So I wanted to talk to you first on how to do a self check. I took the trade on GBPUSD. I'm in 50 pips profit now. That's good. I'm gonna take profit. Right, the kid. Let's talk. Let me take profit. Do you wanna hear the cool sound? I'm not sure. It wasn't that loud. All right. So, Milano. Okay. The kid says that he has a mic with his problem. I can't hear him, so he just sent me a message directly. So I'm gonna take Milano. So I'm gonna take Milano. Then I speak to one of my students. Then I'm gonna go to. Then I'm gonna go to the market and then do my analysis. So I'll be doing the most part that people want. Just draw. Right. Hi Milano.
Hello, Mr. Mashaya.
Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm doing very well. It's been a while since I've spoken to you.
Yeah,
What have
yes.
you been blowing?
No, I've been off trading, sir.
I know when people they blow, they ignore me as if I'm the cause of the blowing. Like they just
No,
ignore me. This guy.
no, it's
They don't
nothing
even
like that.
They don't even watch my status. I know because you know what leads to that. Some people they follow my signals, follow everything. They make money, they're doing everything, and then like, okay, now I'm good. My account is stable now. I can trade on my own. I can do it. I can do this. Back off Mashaya. And then they go into the market. they analyze for themselves, like they feeling motivated, right? Their account have been growing, so they get the confidence, like, okay, I can do this now. I don't need Mashaya anymore. And then they go into the market, and then it's past them, past them, past them. And then they become cheerful now. They become disgraced, like, how can I go back to this guy now? Because once you inbox me, the first question is, how's the account doing? Or what's the size of the account? So that's the question I always have most people. Okay. Right. Okay. So let's talk. What's your reason for this? You were in
Oh,
this,
for
you were in my mentorship, correct? I'm not sure. Were you
no,
or you?
no.
Oh, okay. So I'm supposed I must be contradicting you with somebody else. Okay. Proceed.
Yeah. You asked about for the confirmation for us to take a buy entry on dollar index.
Yeah. No, just don't focus on that the dollar index. Just take this as another pair, okay? Because the structure is the same
Yes,
all
yes.
throughout.
Well, to me, I see an order flow at the bottom of the blue line.
Okay.
Yeah, so yes, you are accurate. The dollar index got to be a bit bullish. From let me see price. What's this price? One. I think it's 133.29.
Okay, let me see. 123 point.
Yeah, from just yeah, I think it's on your red line there.
It's 133.29.
Yeah, the horizontal line.
133 or
Yeah,
103.
three
Right
three
here.
nine. Yes, yes, Mr. Mashaya. It's just there. You are very accurate, sir. That's what I've been looking at it and in the morning because you know me, I trade Nasdaq, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So you're actually gonna be bullish on dollar, judging by this order flow because we have a low here. We have a low. So I
This
think
one.
it's gonna be impossible for it to break this low because basically it's an order flow this day.
Bullish or bearish order flow?
Sir?
A bullish or a bearish order flow? I'm asking the question in regards to somebody else who's here. Okay.
Okay, okay. Well I see a bullish order flow here.
Okay. And why is that?
Because I think the institutional entered this trade.
Yeah.
Yes, that's why we were bullish, and it created something like a double top, and then it is retesting, but it won't break this low. It's just gonna come and collect some liquidity. From collecting liquidity, it's going to be bullish.
Okay. Okay. Buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity?
Currently, we are on a sell side liquidity.
Okay. So I'm asking these questions. Okay, what arises to me because you heard when I was speaking to the other guy, I say that the way that I teach trading, it's far different than any other person, and I can stand on that. It's far different than any other person who's doing mentorship out there. The reason why I'm keep on like asking like which liquidity buy side or sell side, it's
Yes,
because I
yes,
want your answers to be always specific. While you're trading with what I'm trading or you're trading on your own, make sure that whatever you are using, you are able to call things out of the market. Okay?
yes,
Make sure that you know each and every part of the structure. Make sure that you meditate upon your patterns, like you meditate upon your market structure, like not market, you meditate upon your setups. Because people
Yes.
think meditation thing it's only about it's only about their religion and being on church and willing. No, you need to meditate upon your setup. For example, let's say over here coming to
Yes.
just this structure here. This is your setup. So
Yes.
you know that every time you see something like this, as ugly as it is, but this is your setup. So you know if the
Yes.
market touches 1, 2, and 3, exactly like this, you know that it's gonna go up and then drop.
Yes.
Exactly. So you need to meditate upon that. I'm not sure if I said this if I said this on the session. I was talking to another guy in the morning. I told him that the market is a searching game. In as much as a searching game, you are looking for something that you know. So how does one lose a trade? You lose a trade when you think that the setup that you're looking upon is the setup that you know. That's when you lose. Because you think you don't have any specific traits in place or a specific criteria in place to be reasonable enough for you to take a trade. You think that it's the setup that you've been trading and then you lose. So how do you judge that? You enter the trade in the morning, you see your setup, you take the trade. You see another entry, kind of set up in the afternoon, you take a trade and then you lose. Why? Look at the trade you took in the morning. Look at the trade you took in the afternoon. Are the structures the same?
Mm,
No, they won't be.
yes. 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 It can't. It cannot.
Yeah, it won't be the same. So why not focus on the structure that paid you? Try to find the
Mm,
structure that's paid you every time. Even if it means you invest the whole month, at least you are making a correct pattern permanent in your mind.
yes. Yes. Yes.
That's the mentality a lot of people should be. Not this thing of just draw, keep on drawing, support resistance, blah, blah, blah. All of that nonsense. The reason why I'm so speaking against this on social media is because a lot of people they're defending the stupid trend lines, but they're not making money off it. They're not.
Mm,
They are not. As I told you, I'm in a group of mentors. All the mentors you praise, those are bullshit. I don't care about. I know they are real selves. I know they are real selves.
I know
So
you, Mr.
for me,
Mashaya.
they are not pushing any pressure on me. But you guys are the dummies. I call you the dummies because it's the same
Yeah.
guys who are here on this session who on social media will be firing at me like, "Hey, oh, trend lines, blah blah blah." Like, guys, I'm telling you the truth here. I'm telling you the truth here. Okay, even this guy, Easy Forex. This guy knows nothing. He knows nothing. The only thing about him is just that he has so many stupids. I call them stupid because they believe in that guy that he can trade. There are so many stupid people who still believe that that guy can trade and he following up to him. He has more than how many people? Like 5,000 people on his WhatsApp plus.
Sorry to interrupt you, Mr.
His,
Mashaya.
and his like just go to his page right now. Last week he posted a promotion. The week before he had a promotion. So every week he's providing a promotion and people are buying him. So he's taking that, maintaining his lifestyle, fixing his car, and ex rich. There's no billionaire trader in South Africa. So
Yeah.
you
What is
guys, I'm telling you the truth. So you need to find a setup and be reasonable with your setup. Know every part of it, like your body part. That's how you should
yeah.
be able to know your setup. It has the head, the arms, the chest, the breast if you're a woman, um, the legs, left leg, right leg, everything. Even if I'm like, hey, what's your setup? You can be able to call it to me like, hey, okay, I want to see this. I want to see this type of candlestick. I want to see this pattern repeats. At what time will that happen? That's the number one thing that nobody can ever tell you. What time will that happen? What time will that happen? The specific time. Like if I say it's 11 o'clock, what the exact thing that should happen in the market? No one will ever tell you. The theory based on time, it's only the person who is in my mentorship who can teach you or anybody out there or anyone in South Africa about the specific times of the market. Those are the only people who can tell you at this specific time this thing will happen in the market. It's only the people who are in my mentorship. I'm putting a foot down on that. I'm putting a foot down on that, and I bet no one knows it. Nobody, nobody, no one, no one knows. No one knows. It's only the people of which I've taught, like, at this specific time, this should happen. At this specific time, this and this and this will happen. So you just set alarms. You go into the market, you know what you're looking for. All of the people, yeah, it's funny because all of the people that I teach, yes, I teach them analysis in my own way, but once they completed the mentorship, like they don't analyze because they realize like, oh, this what happened at this specific time, this what happened this. So they just go in looking for something they know. They place orders and they make money. They make money. There's a guy who joined mentorship last week. He was like, dude, this is the best thing ever. He doesn't even analyze. Maybe all of his chats,
So,
they just have two lines.
how much is your mentorship, sir?
I don't forgot. Well, it's $70 a month. And the reason why I make it that way, the sooner it depends on how hard you work. So if you work hard enough, you are able to get through faster.
Incoming mail.
So you are able to get through faster. But if you're a lazy person, you will not reap the fruits. That's how it works. It's $70 per premium, 6 months mentorship, 3 months of back testing, 3 months of forward testing. Do you understand that?
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
I teach you to back test what I show you. You need to see these specific things for 3 months going backwards, and you need to see these specific things for 3 months going forward.
Okay.
No one can ever tell you that. They just tell you keep drawing, break, test, what. This. You need to be able to see the things. I'm not saying maybe around here. No, you need to see the specific things as I call to your attention at these specific given times. So you need to do that for 3 months under my care, and then you need to do it the next 3 months independently, but under my supervision. Now that's where you start to realize, like, oh, now I see it. And what I like about it, the day it kicks in, you will never go back. You will never go back. You will never go back. As I told you, I have people who started trading long ahead of me. And when I taught them this, that was the first time they made 10,000 in the market. And right now, I'm not even sure. There's a guy in Limpopo. Okay, there's one in Limpopo and another in Pumalang. I've never seen these guys. We just met online. First time making 5K. The other one has never even blown an account because he understood everything perfectly. Like he's never blown an account. I even went to meet him this year. I even went to meet that guy this year. Like, bro. So, I don't know, but the market is the easiest thing. Most of people are confusing it, and they end up losing more than they should save. They end up losing more than they should save. So now, specification. Okay, how did I get this? Because now I was tired of jumping into the market whenever I feel like some people will say the best time to trade is at night because the market is slow. There's no volatility. That's a lie. So you trade at night, you're not even aware that FOMC is coming at 8 p.m. The news are released, it crashes your account. Does the fact that saying trading at night still stands? No. You're going to blow it away. You're going to blow it. So what made me come to this realization? Yes, it's failing. failing. Okay, I failed so much. But now um, it's resulted into me finding these answers that I want and these answers that I'm teaching out to other people right now. So once you get this, you know what's time, what's price. Those are the two questions I always reply to. What time, what's price. So when I see those things, I jump in, I take the trade, and then I'm done. I'm done. Okay, let me see. There was a guy here who's on my mentorship, so he just left. I think he's at work. Suppose he was on lunch at that time. Yeah, but and another kid, he was, I think he's 14 or 15, 14 or 15. Like I'm not sure about his age. He, I think he texted me last year, the beginning of last year, and he was doing school. Okay, he was doing matric. I was like, okay. He paid for mentorship. I said, pay for mentorship, then do this. Pay for mentorship, but I'm not gonna teach you. Pay for mentorship, but I'm not gonna teach you now. Finish school. When you're done, tell me you're done. That's it. Then we're gonna start working. Whether you passed your matric or you did not, but it's important that you pass. Because wherever you are, if I want to do something in your area, I will use you to maybe host a seminar there, so you do all of those things preparation. Okay, so I say it's important for you to learn and pass school. Okay, all of you here, if you're still in school, make sure you do good in school, because I don't want to work with rich, stupid people. I'm just gonna put it that way. There's no way. It's useless for you to have money but still be dumb. You can't even read. You can't even write. You can't even plan. You can't even draft. You can't even evaluate. You can't even analyze anything. You can't even analyze data. So how am I gonna work with you? Okay, it's not just about drawing trend lines and making profit, guys. It's more than that. It's more than that. Okay, so you need to think beyond trading. That's what I always say. Think beyond trading. So I told the guy that he should come back, be able to trade like when he's done learning. And this year I've been working with him, and everything just popped up. Now the kid is he's flying, he's flying, he's flying. All his setup, they are on the top notch. The exact thing that he's been like I'm teaching him. Like yeah, that's it, that's it.
Okay, Mr.
And in the beginning, he was like, I'm sure he even thought of giving up because I was like on his back. Okay, if I say 1 + 1 is 2 and you tell me that 1.5 plus 0.5 is 2, that is not the answer I'm looking for. I'm looking for 1 + 1 is 2. I didn't say what's another reason or how many ways can you count that could lead to being 2. That's not the question. My question is 1 + 1 is 2, and I want you to prove it to me the very same way that I teach you. Very important. The sooner you do that, guys, the sooner you're gonna stop blowing accounts. I had one guy last year. I think he killed himself. That guy probably killed himself. He did. Because after that, I didn't see him on WhatsApp. The guy WhatsApped me. He just lost about 50,000 USD in the market. And he's like, Mashaya, I just blew my account. Can you help me come back, bro? I'm so stressed. My family here, family children, blah, blah, blah. I couldn't make money in the business. All of this shit. And then now he's looking for a quick fix to his solution. And then I said, listen, if you want to do that, I can be able to assist you, but in time. Okay, you need to be patient, then I can be able to assist you. What did it do? The guy funded another account. It disappeared. Okay, it disappeared for that week. And then came back, I think after 2 weeks, he said, I refunded my account. And then I lost again. I just lost 20,000 USD. I'm like, dude, what the fuck is wrong with you? And he said that he was going to kill himself. Imagine. And I never heard from him over there, like since then. So I keep on WhatsApping him to check on him, but I never got to him. So, guys, in as much as you think this is a game whatsoever, it's serious. So serious. People are losing money over stupid things. And it's not about
Okay,
how much money you have that you do. Yeah,
let me go. I'm kind of busy right now. Okay.
is with what?
Huh?
You can go, but I lose nothing. It's up to you. I lose nothing.
No, I'll text you. Don't worry, sir.
All right, okay, it's fine. So
Okay.
right, bye. So guys, I was trying to make time in order for the market. Like I was trying to make time so that you can see or we can get closer to the market so that we are aware of the closer idea of what is it that we want to see in the market. Okay. So that was the idea. This was it. So right now the time is 13:11 and okay, let me shift to M15. So this is what we are looking at right now. So very much promising, very much promising. Okay. So we had this low taken over here. We had this low taken out. Right. We have this low taken out over here. Market went up, took the buy side, came down, took the sell side. So those who sold here, sell, put their stop loss above here. So market went up, hit the stops, and then came down. Those who bought here, put the stops here. Market did what? Came down, hit the stops, which were implemented here. Now it's in the bottom. So unreasonably, we have a potential that this market is going back up there. So just like Vincent said, so he is partially correct. Market from here, it's going back up there. But now we still don't have that much of a reason to take this trade. Okay. Maybe I can be confident to execute here above this price or above this low. So before the news, which is here, oh, look, it's exactly where I put my arrow. So news are going to be released right here. So what is it that we want to see happen before the news? Okay, before the news. Firstly, they went up earlier, take out the low, and then now they're starting to come up a bit. Okay, so that's what we want to see. Market, we're expecting it to come and be here and then continue up, right? Yeah. So the pairs that I'm going to analyze, we're going to look at the dollar index as we are right now. Then we're going to look at pound and we're going to look at gold and maybe Nasdaq. Okay, depends on the time. Unless if you want me to continue. Okay. Yeah, we're going to look at those markets. The dollar index, GBP USD, Nasdaq, and gold. We're going to look at four. So right now we're still on the dollar index. Why the dollar index? Because it controls all the others. It controls all the others. So we have these stops taken out here. Now, how do you know this works? Try this. Try this. Okay. Analyze. Go to your chart. Like tomorrow is the weekend. The following week, rather. The following week. You go into the market. You analyze. This is where you're gonna put your stop loss. This is where you're gonna put your entry. This is where you're gonna put this. You analyze in a way that you're going to trade that, and then you change everything. Where you're gonna put your stop, make that an entry, take your stop loss, same volume, add it above it, and then that's where you should enter and see what happens. Trade against what you know, trade against yourself. Trade against yourself. You will see that. Challenge yourself mentally. You will see the result. So over here we have all of this. Okay, we have this order block here. I'm gonna put the order block phantom because most people are familiar with it now. So we have our OP here. Okay, that's our order block where the market is right now. So we do not just take the trade as yet, but we want a confirmation inside this order block first. As I'm saying, if I'm a buyer here, I will buy above here. Something should happen within this space from here to there. Okay, so market here can drop low and then continue to go up. I will not mind. That is what I want to see today. So the first guy was correct. Not the first. I think it was Vincent. So his idea. Okay. All of you guys were right since your confirmation was bullish, right? So we hit a low here, taken out, high here, taken out, but started higher, lower. So that confirmation was we want to go higher. Okay. So while this is the phantom right now, also try to see if the message could change. So this order block is still intact because the market had not gone lower. But if it had broken here and this 50% trend, okay, of yesterday's range, so from there we could have known that the market is going to do what? Above it we are buyers, below it we are sellers. So if they break below this range, we are completely sellers. Before what time? Before 15:30. Right now it's almost half past 1. So 1 to 2, suppose by the time we'll be done. So right now I'm going to share with you things that you should be expecting to see. Okay, that is what I hope to do in this lesson. So this is what we're waiting for. Here we have an OP. Market supposed to do what it has to do. Okay. Let's look at the USD cat. Okay. Okay, and here as well I was teaching, so my chart is untidy. So I gave out the buying signal last week, like 2 days back, and before I had load shedding. So load shedding is really affecting my business. It's really affecting everything as I'm doing, and I'm hating it. Really, really hating it. I'm really hating it. Okay, let's do this. Change the template. Put on a new template. There. Right. So over here, it's more like this never happened. It's more like this part never happened because markets went down, then it went up with the very same volume. So it's more like it's never been there. Surely, if I go to my weekly time frame, you see this is a tail. This is just a tail. Okay, so this is how you see a tail. Real body here, real body there. So since you know it's more like the opening here, drop, create the tail. Let me see, maybe on the daily time frame you see it. Okay, it can show on the weekly right there. You see, weekly time frame. This is the current we are at. It's only what? A tail. That's drop and rise. It's only a tail. So it is good that it doesn't exist. Okay. When you look at your weekly time frame and then your daily time frame, now you see they call this what? Railway tracks. Railway tracks. So from here we are looking at what? The bullish prices. Question. You may ask, why am I doing USD CAD? USD CAD, it is the base, it is the dollar-based currency. So if the dollar is not clear enough in terms of analysis, if the dollar is not clear in terms of the currency, then I know I can look at the dollar-based currency in order for me to find the reason to enter that market. So this is a tail here. So this is how you study within the market. You must have microscopic eyes. Like you need to see within the candle and know what is happening within the candle. That is what I've just shown you here. So right over here on USD CAD, we are looking for a buy. Okay, this is H1. This is H1. So since I'm looking for a buy, I'm giving the signals right now. Write them down. I know you want a list like you buy this ticket, blah, blah, blah. I'm just doing the analysis. So this is what we're looking for. That is my target right there. Okay, let me make it blue. That's my target over here. Okay, that's what I want to see happen in the market. So over here, we had a low in Asian and then a failure to take out the low. Look at this. Okay, a failure to take out the low. A failure to take out the low. Failure to take out the low. What's the message since it's failed to take out the low? It's more like, no, I don't want to call low. I don't want to call lower. Okay, I just want to go up. So USD CAD fails to take out this previous low, and then the dollar index take out the previous low or the previous high. Sorry, it creates a higher high, but then the dollar index, the USD CAD, it creates a higher low. I don't know if you understand that. Okay, I don't know if you understand those terms like high, 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 low. But that is what I call the language of the market. See, so this one, it's rejected to go or push the price even lower to this. Okay, so for NFP to take part here, let's look at 1530. Please put your line there. As I'm showing you right now, you should know what should happen in the market at what specific price. Okay, at what specific price. I'm going to use M15 so that I can be able to pick up the correct price. There. There. Okay, so that is 1530. So here we failed to take out the previous low, like here, and then market is going to go back up. Okay, so for your entry should be, okay, over here we have what? Another block. So that's one reason you look for to buy right there. Okay, so means what? This is what you want to see. A, B, C. Let's say high. So B is your entry. A is the allowed period for expansion or drop. Okay, so this is what you want to see. This is what you want. I can give you the specific price, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not just gonna do it. Okay. So this is the event that you want to see. This is the projection that you want to see ahead of it, and then you hold forever, like your trend lines confirm. Okay, like a trend lines confirm. And over here, it will work. Why? Because look here. It could really work. Why? Because your what this is resistance. Yes, resistance has been broken. Look, resistance, resistance, resistance. Yeah, could have worked here. Hey. And then you're still holding it to go forever. You sleep the night, in the morning it's back up. And then it comes back here, you do what? Because you know you're selling on what? The trend lines. Come back here, you sell. See the red candle? You sell here. When it touches it, you go short. Then it breaks. Comes back, you think, it's coming back inside, it's coming back inside, and then it goes out. So it keeps on doing that thing. So over here, yes, the break and retest. Thinking work, broken, retested, but it's still around there. Still, there's no accuracy in this. There's no accuracy in this. So now we have what? Equal highs. I'm just showing you how the markets collect. this sort of liquidity thing. Okay. In the morning today, here, market did what? See, in the morning, it's created a lower price, and then it's created what? A higher price. So it went even higher. Then came back down, took out this low, and then failed to take out this low. Why? Because it is said to be bullish. So they already have things in place ahead of the FOMC. I mean, ahead of the NFP. But you are a trader, you're busy drawing your trend line left, right, center, up, down, to support resistance. But the market is already set itself. Right now, it's just preparing itself to that event. It's waiting for the fundamentals. It's waiting for the time for it to move. So you are waiting with the absence of your knowledge. You think that the market is the volatility, but everything is already set in order for it to move. It's already set. Okay. So that's one thing that you can look at. USD CAD. USD chief, it's obviously bullish. Because why? It's a dollar-based currency. Okay. It's a dollar-based currency. Any questions? Let me drink water before I continue. Let me just take a glass of water, then we're gonna continue. Just 1 minute. I've been talking for an hour. Um, any questions? Okay, Bonkosi has a question. What's your question, Bonkos? Question, press unmute and talk. Right. Right. Okay, where is this guy? Okay, he's off. Off. Yeah, he's off. Okay, so he's already off. Where was I? So it's a buy on USD chief. Now, mind you, look at what I'm doing. I started on the dollar index. Then I got the confirmation that we're going high. Then I'm looking at all the dollar based to find if we are really going up. So I'm looking for more reasons. So I'm looking for more reasons to know and trust that we are going up. Okay. So all of these pairs that I'm going through right now, they should confirm that we're bullish. That's the point. They should confirm that we are bullish. Okay, as you can see, USD CHF is more like what? The dollar index. It's more like the dollar index. They've just taken out what? This low here. There is something that I posted on Facebook. I think yesterday, not the other day. I said buy below support, sell above resistance. Buy below support, sell above resistance. And some guy said, people are gonna blow. People are so gonna blow. Let me prove that theory that it works. But I said, okay, look here. This is what most people regard as what? Okay. Or let me use the other. There's this. So this is what most people regard as what? This is what people regard as support. I'm not sure if I'm correct, but the way that I'm looking at it, because it's more accurate. Okay, just focus here. This is support. I know the market is a zone, bold, big. So this is our support. I use specific prices. Okay, this is my support. Market came down, support again, went up, came back down below support because this price it's support, which is 97131, which means what? Below that price, I'm a buyer. Below that price, I'm a buyer. Okay, above resistance, I'm a seller. Above resistance, I'm a seller. This is our resistance. Market went higher. Then I what? Took the sell. Market came down, back up. Market came down. So this goes against the mentality that people have, thinking if the market you buy once it breaks the resistance and then you're going up. Look here, this is our resistance here. Market went up, you bought, came back down. Okay, you regard this as a retest, you buy again, it will goes up a little bit and then back down. So you're in loss twice, and then now it's gonna go up. Why? Because it has already readjusted itself to this as a support. This is not the support, this line. Okay, this is not, but it has shifted to this line here, or this price here being the support. So since this is my new support and price is already below support, like this, it's already below support, then I have the right to say I can buy here to go up. Okay, so it's on my buying area. So now it's particularly waiting for the right time to move. Look at how slow the market is. Why is it slow all of a sudden? Why is it slow? 50 pips going back to this high, 60 going back to that one. Let's check. Yeah, same thing. 60 going back to the higher, to the other one. But if you're impatient, you're gonna take or pay yourself on this first one. Okay. So you're buying below support, selling above resistance. If you think I'm lying, if you think I'm ever lying in anything that I'm saying, take what I say exactly as is. Go into the market, look for it, challenge me. Take what I say, go into the market, look for it. Simple. Okay. And then you can say something after. So M15, the market is currently on support, below support. That's when we buy. So it's going back up. Okay. So our trade is back to here. Simple analysis, no trend lines. I speak in keywords. Okay. Specific things. Okay. So for example, if I took the trade here, I would risk what? 20 pips. That's 20 pips. This square is what? 20 pips risk. Okay. Which is 200 if you drag. 200. So that's 20 pips. So that's how much risk I'm allowing myself. So it's 2:5 because it's 20 pips risk and then 50 pips target. So that's a very good risk. That's a very good risk. Okay. Very, very good risk. So now let's look at the other ones, which is foreign. Let's look at pound. Let's look at pound. I took this trade on my phone. That was the trade that I was closing. based on these strategies. Okay, because you can see so many trades have been taking in and out, regardless of today's we had load shedding, so it's kind of ruined everything. Let me clean up my charts. So we're starting all over. So we're just gonna focus on today. I'm just gonna focus on today. Right. H1. Looking at H1, we already have what? Resistance there. Right. You can see market is already rejecting to go higher. Rejecting to go higher. See the current price. See the current price. It's lower than the previous price. It's lower than the previous price if you're looking at it. So that tells you, or should tell you, that we are going lower. Let me show you how to read the market. Okay. Look here. And when you trade, guys, like close this tab here, this click tab, because it's the one thing that make a lot of people just want to execute without trade, like looking at the market, because that thing keeps on flicking and they just want to press on sell as well. Okay, so it's dangerous. Keep it off. Okay, so now we had this high here. Market came up, failed to take it, and then second time it didn't fail to take out that high. So it's more like we're gonna go lower, lower. And here it is 1, 2, 3 pattern. And then over here it's rejected to go lower. Okay, rejected, and then it's willing to go lower. Okay. So the one thing that you wanna see here, below this, you wanna see the market break this below, before 3. Okay, before the fundamentals, it should go lower than this price. It should go lower than this price before this price here. Okay, it should go below what's the price here. This is GBPUSD, by the way, that you're looking at right now. That's the exact thing that you want to see. Let's see, okay. So we want to see price go below 1.23352 before what? Before 1530. Before 1530. So it should do what? It should break down maybe at 1530, same time, then go up, okay, and then continue to go down. Where will you take your profit? Back here at the low. You can take partial, you can close all your position back to the low. Okay, so this is the actual pattern that you want to see. So you want to see the market go lower than this 1.2352 before 3 o'clock. I'm not sure if my laptop time is showing at the bottom. It's 13:39 right now, SAT, South African time. Okay, so that is the pattern that we want to see right here. I know what I want to see before the actual fact. Not that I wait like, okay, I think it's gonna do. I don't trade thoughts. Okay, I'm looking for specific things that I want to see in the market, and when those things happen, then I know what is it that I want to see. So 1530, they could do what? That's why you will see the tail. It could even come here. honestly speaking. Okay, the tail could be above this area here. Okay, can start around here and then drops because it's gonna happen fast. I'm not sure about it. Like, and another thing, as I'm talking to you right now with all of this information I'm giving out, I haven't even looked at the I haven't even looked at the like what's the news app. I've never even opened it. Never. I don't look at news when I'm trading. I just look at the markets and read the markets. I don't look at the report like, okay, it says it's gonna be bullish, it's gonna be bearish, it's gonna do this. I don't. The only thing I wanna know is the time, and I know the time, so I'm done. Because the market itself has the message on its own. So if you can read it, understand it, then you know how to trade it. Okay. So that is what you want to see happen over here. Okay. So this pullback over here, this pullback can be just a single candlestick, like this one. This can just be a single candle, like a drop like this. Okay, drop and then this candlestick, and then continues dropping. Okay, over here. It can be just that candle. Not that it should be a big thing. But before 1530, the market should go lower than this price. Should go lower to 1223552. Even if it can be 51 or 550, that would be good. As long as it goes lower than this. If the tail is below this, then bravo. Okay. This doesn't have to go all the way deep. Even if it's 1 pipette or 2 pipettes, good. That's what I want to see. So what's the next thing? Gold. Where's gold? This is gold over here. Okay. Let me clean up my charts. And as you can see, I'm clearing everything in my charts because I know what I'm trading. I know my market. So I don't have to be stable on one analysis. So we are going long on USD CAD, we're going long on USD Chief, we are going short on pound or cable. Then you also should go short on euro. So we look at that as well. Okay. So let's see, 15. Maybe if I'm available, like my throat hurts right now because I've been talking so long and I don't usually talk this long. Because even if I'm recording a session, it's usually not longer than an hour. It's usually not longer than an hour. So it's tiring. Okay. So this is gold. Gold. This is what we're looking at it gold. This is what we're looking at it gold. This is what we're looking at it gold. So we're on a chart, starting on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see that it's bearish. Okay. But guys, I'm just doing this analysis. I would advise all of the people who are following me, I'd advise all of you not to trade gold. I'd advise all of you not to trade gold. Okay. Why? Because most people, gold is unpredictable and most people blow at it. Most people blow at it. Okay. So it becomes a problem because it destroys your account and then you go back to square one and it becomes hard. So my advice will not be to trade gold unless you have large funds. Maybe you have like 10, maybe above 1,000 USD. Even if it's 1,000 USD, you just have to apply the smallest risk. Because the problem that I've noted with a lot of people you think currencies are moving slow, right? And then you do what? You go to gold, you go to Nasdaq, you want to trade those things, and then you do what? You also increase the lot size. Why did you come there? Because you wanted to come there because you know now if you put a micro lot, if it pays like 10 times on currencies. It pays 10 times those currencies, but still you're doing what? You get there, you are greedy again, and then you keep falling short, you keep falling short, you keep falling short. So if you want to grow your career, if you want to like make money constantly, do not trade gold, do not trade Nasdaq, focus on the other things. Because it's pointless. One wrong mistake, one misanalysis, you are off, you are out. So that should not be a point. Okay. So you need to find something else to do, or another thing to focus on in terms of trading. So do that. So looking at gold, expecting it to go lower. Okay. So right now they're trying by all means to go the opposite direction. So the main target for gold, it's over here. Okay, this is where it's coming. So as it's going up, we're gonna look for reasons why it should go up. I know I'm not putting all like everything in my charts right now, but I'm putting what I think is important right now. The main entry here was right there on that other block. And then boom, it's crashed. Yesterday, in fact. So today we're just enjoying a sort of pullback. Then it's gonna continue to drop. It's gonna still gonna continue to drop. Now that is what we are to see. Yeah. Okay. I saw what I wanted. So now that is what you are waiting for. So the entry was actually right there. So the market has already delivered what it wants to see. So it's gonna come anywhere around here. It might reverse on H4. This is your OP. Trade this on demo, please. Zero risk. Trade gold on demo. Okay. Like for some of you, if you following, maybe you've seen my account. I think I have an account which is over. Okay, it was at 150,000 rands, and then I lost. I took loss on Nasdaq from 150,000 to 83,000, 83,000, and on that account, my risk or my lot size it's not more than 10 or 0.10. I'm using 0.5, 0.5, so in total it's 0.10 on every signal that I take. That's how much I'm taking, and then I trade the account patiently. Okay, I don't rush it on all. If it's low, if I take a loss, I take a loss based on that. If I win, then it's growing more than that. So that's how you should be trading, not the fact that you want to make all the money in the market in one day. Okay. Oh, I've already done this. So now we're waiting for the market to do that. So I'm going to go to M5, M15, sorry, to look for a much clear entry. I wonder who's calling me. Someone is calling. So Mhm. Wait a minute. Oh, okay, okay. Just want to check something. Right. So now this is gold analysis. So I get distracted by the call. Wanted to check whom it was. So on H4, this is our OP right there. So we want to see the markets go all the way back up there. But on M15, we're getting this price right there. So that's how much we can take. Okay, that's how much we can take. So we already had our low here in the morning. Okay, we already had the market wipe off this high here for today. This was the highest price in the morning. Failed to take that up, and then the market now just went higher. Okay. The reason why I say not to trade gold is because sometimes gold move the opposite as the dollar index. Sometimes gold move the same direction as the dollar index. So it's unreliable, honestly. I don't trust it. I don't trust it because it should be moving opposite. As when you're looking at the pair, it's say XAU to USD. So it should always move opposite to gold. But at times you find it moving the same direction as gold. So it's not trusted or not to be trusted. So look right now, gold, oh, the dollar index is going higher. Okay, it's going higher now. See, it's approaching this price here. What did I say about the dollar index? I'm looking for to buy when it goes above this price. Once it goes above this price, that's where I'm gonna be anticipating to buy. Okay, that's where I will want to buy. So it's doing what I want. So I babysit price until it does what I want to see. Babysit price until it does what I want to see. Exactly every day. So that is what I want to see. Break up. I want the price to be higher here, even if I tell whatsoever, but once it pieces above this price, I'm confident. Now I got it. Okay. USD CAD. Okay, I want it to come to this price, whether before or exactly at 15 bits. So those are the two things I'm waiting for on USD CAD. Can I take this call? It's from Durban. I haven't set the number. Shiloh. I'm going to send me there. Kunoma. You calling regard? Oh, if ngisaku meeting. Ngisaku ngicela ungifonela ara. Oh, so it's two. Sometimes you know you're calling for personal reasons. Actually, ngicela ungi-WhatsApp at least yabo. Yeah, you live stream right now. Guys, all right, thanks. Bye. Right. Okay, that's another office in Durban we comes to work with. So USD CAD, you want like guys, I'm training you to know the exact thing that you wanna see before the actual trade. Not just this facts of analyzing, then boom, I'm buying here, I'm selling there, I'm buying here, I'm selling there, bang. So I want you to know the exact thing that should come to pass before the actual event. Here it's USD. Oh, look at that. USD chip is already flying. USD chip is Yes, the ship is already flying. Okay, it's already in profit. Like, look, from the time I've been speaking, it's flee like 20 pips, 20 pips already in its direction. But do not listen. Do not chase it. Okay, do not chase it. The only time you're gonna take any trade now, it's what 15:30, right here. So this thing is gonna come back here and then go up. So we don't chase price. We don't chase price. Okay. Do not be seduced by price. That's why most people get fucked because they get seduced by price. Get it? Yeah, whatever. So that's what we want to see. On gold over here, I'm short on gold. Strongly short on gold. Okay. Strongly short on gold. Why? Because it has taken out this high here. And I don't know, but around here should create some form of reversal. And right there, we have this. What do you call this? What do you call this? What do you call this? There. Look at this. Okay. Maybe there's an order block that I'm marking right there. There's an order block. I know some of you will be like, nah, it's what do you call those things? It's a supply zone. I don't deal with zones. Okay. So I'm marking that, and I'm gonna show you something here that's gonna help you where to put your stop loss. But guys, seriously, most of you, I would not advise you to trade gold because I know of you. I know most of you because I do talk to you. Okay, I'm not that type of mentor who's prideless, who's always making himself big. I'm normal. I treat myself as normal because I want to be approachable. I want you to be able to talk to me so that I can help you. That's why I'm here. That's why we meet. That's why you find the link to this session. That's why you find my contact on Facebook. Okay. Some of you may think, it's just whatever. Okay. So look at this. If the market was random, there will never be something like this. Look here. Exactly there. Exactly here. Why didn't the market just go above it and then come back down? If the market was random. If the market was random, why this price I marked exactly here was respected perfectly here. Market broke. Look, the closing of this candle exactly to this price, the opening or the low of this candle and this one exactly on this specific price. And then when it went up, this range is equal. And here it was perfectly balanced. Is that random? No. So right now on gold, I could be short. And another thing that I always try to do on ahead of the NFP is to get my low as early as possible. That is one of the things I usually try to do. Get the low as early as possible. And some of the times I fail. For those who know my capabilities, sometimes I okay, few times I've given the NFP entry price, specific entry price on Tuesday. Tuesday, I gave out specific price for NFP. Tuesday, I gave, and the market did exactly that. Maybe that's how you know of me, some of you. That's how you know there's a guy called Mashaya, Mr. No Guessing Games. Mr. Keep It Blue. You know, so those are the capabilities. Like if they say the highest potential for a person, what is it? For me, it's that I know the specific price for anything when I'm undistracted. That is my full potential of the market. I know the specific prices, Nasdaq, USD, gold, whatever currency pair. I know the specific prices for those things where it's gonna reverse. And I challenge any man to come forth and challenge me on that. I'm the only guy who can do that in South Africa, as far as I'm concerned. Okay. I know you talk to your mentors. Tell them Mashaya is here. Tell them. Right. Okay. So gold already going short. Where do I put my stop loss? I will allow my stop loss to be on this. I will put it here for a tight loss. Okay. Above this candle, okay, above this line, just above on this candle. So that's where I would put it. Okay, so if I jump in here, it would be 40 pips, 40 pips risk. You see, very small movement. Look at that, such a very small movement, but the risk, my God, it's too high. So for my stop loss, I will adjust it. I will take the tail. I will take the tail of the same candlestick, put it above, and then I will take this line, move it to there. Okay, that's why I'm saying you need to have a big account if you're gonna play with gold, or you might just be sculptured. Haha, that's right. You got that? You might just be sculpted of rain. Like there are sculptures made of gold, and then you might be sculptured. Get it? You guys, too serious. Right. So my stop loss for gold, it's 1899, 1889.10. And look how exactly is that. So we are going short. Where is my target? Back to the low. I always have one target. Okay. I always have one target. Okay. For those in my mentorship, let me see. Okay, I see. Okay, only two people here who are on my mentorship. Guys, you can see there's nothing for a mentorship here that I'm talking about. Okay, it's just plain languages. Yeah, I do throw in a little bit of some words there because I don't want you to feel cheated. Like, oh, he made us pay for this information, but he's giving it for free. Guys, you're seeing that there's nothing from mentorship here that I'm talking of right now. I know I can see your names. I know you. There's two people here who are on my mentorship. There's nothing from mentorship here. You can look and then go there. There's nothing. Okay. Yeah, obviously there should be a few things, but not the deep, precise stuff. Okay. Come on, like I can't filter that much. So we are short on gold from here. This is our stop loss right there. That's our target. So we have the APC. I don't know, maybe like this. That's where we're going. Short on gold. Because over here it's our stop. So that's what we want to see. It's okay to be stop loss, to be stopped out rather than blowing an account. That's another problem about these traders. You don't want to be stopped out. Sometimes when you stop, you put your entry in the wrong places. So here's another thing that I told you of that you should do based on your analysis. If you find that most of your stop losses they get taken out, okay, you do this. Okay, especially if you have a laptop, you write like this. You put in the words entry, entry, entry. Yeah, and you also need to know English as well. Just kidding. And it's painful, guys. The language barrier. I meet so many people from outside of South Africa. They want to learn, but now the problem is the language. I do not understand their language, and some of them they don't even know English, so it becomes a very, 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 very much challenge. Some I tell them that at least try to learn a little bit of English, then I can teach you this, yeah, and you can learn my method of trading. Then you can teach your people. Okay, so you can dominate. You can be Mashaya in your country. Okay, I remember there's two who said that they're gonna go learn English and then come back, but it's painful. It's painful because now they're trying to make a step forward and then they have a language barrier. So listen to this. Here's the thing that I told you. Now let's say this is your analysis. This is what you are analyzing with. If the market happens to take out your stop losses most of the time, so you analyze like this, and then you do what? You do the first analysis, like, okay, everything looks sexy, and then you do what? You change everything. How? You say this is your entry here. Now you do what? You move your entry to here. Where was your stop loss? The stop loss is here. So you measure the volume of which you wanted to risk, which is here. to there. Okay, this whole candle added on top, and then you take your stop. Um, so you take your stop loss. I get this thing on to know. Okay, get you. Stop loss right there. Okay, now it's the price. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Let me just add another one. So your stop loss goes above there. You're doing what? Trading against yourselves. Trading against yourself. Because most of the time you get stopped out, isn't it? Now your stop loss becomes your entry. Your entry becomes your what? Your stop loss, and then the target remains the target. So you only change what? You change your stop loss, the one that you hate, you make it your entry. You can put your pending orders there. Okay, you can put your pending orders there. So that when the market comes back, you know that you are at least in the trade. Yeah, like that. See, be smart, be smart, be smart. But my entry is right here, right now. So I'm allowing this volume of loss, which is 50 pips, up to there. Okay, and then the target remains the same. Can I take this call, guys? Just a minute. Just a minute. You can digest what I was saying. Okay, just a minute. Right. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Um, Wait a minute. What am I sharing here? Share screen. Let me start all over. I don't know what is happening. Um. Okay. Right there. Okay. So we're back. We are back. We are back. We are back. We are back. So you can see gold is coming back up. Okay. Gold is untrustable. Gold is a bitch. I have to say. Oh, right. Look. GBPUSD, it went lower. It went lower than this price that I wanted to see. So now it's already like, look, as the markets move and it does the things that I wanted to see, it's confirming, like it's leading to the exact thing. So this gives me the confidence. Okay, I wanted to see this, it's happening. I wanted to do this, it's happening. I wanted to do this, it's happening. So I get more confident because now I know it's gonna work. I know it's gonna work. Okay, I know it's gonna work. So now it took out this low. So now I'm confident that it's gonna give me the entry. It's gonna go up and then it's gonna drop. Okay, it's gonna go up. It's gonna drop. See now I'm confident. You see this thing happening. So this is how I trade, guys. I talk price. I speak price, and I want you to see the exact thing that I say it wants to, it must do. Okay, and I've done this one of the lives, not live, but personal sessions. Like people invited me, and we were doing this the whole week. Okay, I was showing them how to, I was teaching them how to trade the whole week, and I was speaking price. Like, okay, now you should come here, you should go there, you should come, you should, and the market was doing exactly that, and we were taking trades in, trade out. Imagine they were learning and making money at the same time. They made them in like to find whatever money they paid for me to come there. Yeah, they made it back by the end of the session. Why? Because they had someone who understands the market. So that's the very same thing that you want to do. So I'm doing some of my entries here. So I'm adding a little bit of my specific things that I work with. Yes, you guys will never understand. I'm not gonna explain the things I just did right now. Okay. How? What is it that I use to get a specific price? Yes. We can delete this. So the specific price that I can be, which is sexy for me to sell on, it's this one here. Okay. It's this one over there. Okay. Of course, the trade can breathe higher than that price. It can go higher. Okay. It can go higher, but that is how much I want to see it go. So now it's not just random, but this is a specific price that I'm looking to go short at, like that. Okay. And I can allow my stop loss maybe to remain above there as before. Okay. So I said this pullback here, remember, I said this pullback here can be one reversal candlestick. So this price, okay, it's not showing where the market is right now. That's another special price about the market. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, I don't know where to click to get this. Oh, there. I don't know why it's misplaced. So the current price, which is 1.23428, That price is so strong. As you see, I even drew the line there. So that's the specific price for that line. This market from this specific price has the right to drop and continue to drop right now and not go back up since it's on this specific price right there. It has the right to do that. There is no need for it to continue to go higher. Why? Because it has broken this low back to this specific price. If it goes up, it shouldn't go above this price. It shouldn't go above this price 1.23556. Okay, so these are two special prices right now where the market is. If it goes up, we can allow it here, but not higher than this volume there. So the trade can breathe going higher, but then continue to drop. Taking out this low, very well. It's a very good job. So now looking from the entry here that I want to take down to there, which is 830. It's 80 pips. 80 pips. So that is a very good range. That is a very good range. I just want to confirm one more thing. I want to look at the time which the fundamentals are going to come back. Hello, John. There one. Not being ready now. Berkshire in scoring. I'm by your line. More. Bye bye. Right. Okay. So we are on GU. It has already done the two confirmations. Gold is still on entry. I haven't given the specific entry, so it's more like around there. But I don't want to see gold go above this black line, okay, which is the price. So I don't want to see it go higher than that price. USD Chief already went higher, 20 pips, and then provided this candle as well. But I still want to see the price come back to here before going up. USD CAD, oh, it already came down. Look, A to B. A to B has already been delivered, which means what? You can buy USD CAD. Okay, one can buy USD CAD. Oh yeah, NFP is coming up in 10 minutes. I thought it's 3:30. Oh yes, there. Yeah, it's coming up now. It's coming up now. It's coming up now. Yeah, it's coming up now, guys. NFP, it's coming up now in 10 minutes, 9 minutes exact. Hey, Tetaman's a preaching. But Tetaman's a preaching. What's So look, it's coming up now. So USD CAD is a buy, USD chip is a buy, gold sell, GBP USD sell. I'm giving out NFP signals right now. I'm giving you NFP signals right now. Okay, if you don't trust me, demonstrate these signals. Demonstrate these signals. Okay, it's easy. Let's buy USD CAD. USD CAD. So I'm sending you signals in the group. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to execute on my phone. I don't know, since I have so many accounts, I'm not going to be able to execute on the other ones. So I'm not going to risk clients' accounts on NFT. So it's best that I risk my own accounts. Okay. I just place trade on my phone. Incoming mail. Right. Okay. Okay. So the signals that I sent out, I think yesterday or the day before, I'm running on profits right now. So I'm gonna add on those trades. So I'm going to add on top. I'll send a screenshot just now. Let me send one. What is it? What is it? Um, I'm doing this live and I've been doing it for the past hour ahead of the event. Okay. I'm doing this to show you my understanding. And I'm doing this because this is how I want you guys to do in the market. Okay. This is how I want you to do in the market. So okay. Um, 5 minutes. So I just shared my Nasdaq. It's pound. It's pound and Nasdaq, the trade that I'm still holding, and they're running on 5,000 profits. 7,000, sorry, 7,000 profits. Okay. Look also. Can you still see? Yeah. Look also. The dollar index went above this price, so that's a second confirmation. It went above this price. Okay, so that gives me the confidence of the market is going to go up. So my stop loss, just like we spoken earlier, it's gonna. Oh, I didn't set. We didn't discuss the stop, but I'm not gonna trade the dollar index. That's why I don't worry about it. Stop. Okay, that's why I don't worry about it. Stop. On GBP USD, just gonna add one more. This way they say blow for blow. It's a blow for blow. Okay, you can demo test this, no problem, zero risk, but you gain the trust to work with me. Okay, you don't necessarily have to force these trades on your real account. You can demonstrate them. We lose if we lose, we win if we win. That's how it goes. Yes, this year, Jeff. It's okay. I'm not gonna be able to execute all of these trades on my account. I have so many accounts here. Some are on the laptop. Mm, Zakhala, my dog. Zakhala is cry. Is cry. Is cry. Is cry. Is cry. Is cry. NFP entry. P entry. Actually recording this session, but it's too long now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it. I don't know. Maybe I just post it on YouTube rather, so that the person can maybe watch it when they want to. Gold. Look at gold right now. It went up, but look, it came up but did not break the previous price. Okay, it went up but did not break the previous price. So we don't know. So let's hope you apply. Let's just say you apply this phantom that I gave you. The stop loss became the entry. The entry, okay, the stop loss, we added a new stop loss. We adjusted our main stop loss as the entry. So that's the idea we're gonna be working with for now. Okay. Yes, the lesson. Yeah. I have over 130 messages on my WhatsApp. Right. So right now my profit is 9,000 rands. I wish I can screenshot this. Like show you live, but I can't because it's on my phone and the laptop. Can I take a screenshot and send on the group so that you can see? I've been holding these trades like um, okay, it's 15:30 right now on my clock. Let me check the world clock if the time is the same. World clock. It should be. Maybe I'm late by a minute. Um, um, New York, yeah, 8:31 in New York, 8:31 in New York. So that's it. So NFP is off. And mind you, I haven't watched the reports. I don't even have those apps on my phone. I don't have them. I don't have the fundamental apps. I'm just aware of the time where the report can come out. I don't look at the stats. I don't know. Maybe you guys think like he's just saying it for the sake of. I don't look at those things. Okay, I just don't. I don't know what it's saying. Okay, I don't know what it's saying. Okay, let me Google it just now. Okay, I'm gonna Google it. I'm gonna show you. Let me share the times. So particularly, it's 8:30 in New York. That's why you're seeing this time. So their morning to us, it's the afternoon. So that's why we're getting the fundamentals right now because they just woke up and ready to do business for the day. Okay, so that's why you're seeing this reaction whatsoever. Okay, gold is going higher, broken this price. Our stop loss is there. That's the phantom. USD what chief coming lower. USD CAD also. Dollar index also. It's the lead. Gold is going higher. Pound is going higher. Okay, broken this price. Two of them. Okay, let me search for the fundamentals while we on it. But technical, I'm bearish. Okay, they're always gonna fuck somebody first and then correct. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. So, okay, regarding this price, 1.23556, I don't care about the tails, but the bodies, I want to see the bodies open exactly on this price, whether bullish or buy or bullish or bearish. But I want to see the bodies open exactly on this price here. Okay, that's what I want to see. The bodies on this price should be the opening price of it or below it if you're going short. Okay, so this is the specific buying price, entry price for buying or selling. That's my point. Okay, that is my point. Crash, you motherfucker. Crash. Crash. Okay. So I know some other mentors are screaming like now, like, ah, sorry. Those guys are fine. Some people are so fun. Yeah, so that is what we want to see. So looking at gold, gold is melting now. It's back to its place. USD CAD, yeah, USD CAD right in its rightful place. Okay, USD CAD is starting to move. Chief is still low. You can buy Chief. You can buy USD CAD. You can buy. Oh, sell gold cable. We short on cable. So we're still on that fund. Oh, let me look at the fundamentals if I forgot. I just want to look the reports and then contract to what I'm saying. Hmm. Look at the laptop. Okay, the report. Wait. Wait a minute. Reference. It hasn't painted here. Okay. It hasn't painted the actual. Oh no. Um. No. No. You say I should have. What we show? No. What? We have to be horses just because no one we have. Who they say we have. The night black person. But what are we? Seems really. Okay, guys. I see the numbers. I see the numbers. Non-farm payroll, it's 428K. So it's strong. And then unemployment, it's weak. Get it? Non-farm payroll, it says bullish. And then the dollar should be going up, and then unemployment is low. So if unemployment is low, that makes the dollar bullish. If non-farm payroll is strong, it means the dollar is strong. I hope that you understand that. Okay? I hope that you understand that. Unemployment, non-farm payroll, it's okay. Let me share the window that I'm looking at this upon. Okay. I'm gonna share the window, then we can come back to the chart. Share. Right. So since you can see now what I'm looking at, look here. Focus on 1, 2, 3, average hourly earning, okay, 3%, that doesn't matter much. Non-farm payroll, non-farm employment change, okay, non-farm, that is what you're looking at. It's 428K, which means the projected was 490 previously, it was 428. Oh, it's come here. Actual forecast previous, okay? Actual forecast previous. So there's no different from the last one. So they were hoping this time that it could go lower, but it's actually the same as the last time, which means what? The dollar still holds the same value, not the actual dollar, but America still holds the same value in terms of the market. Okay, why? Because non-farm payroll is still strong. Open detail. I don't really didn't want to go this. Okay. Changing the number of employment people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry, actual greater than forecast, is good for currency. Released monthly, usually the first Friday after month end. Okay. June 3, the visual economic data released shortly after the month ends. The combination of importance and earliness makes for hefty market impact. Okay, job creation is an important leading indicator of consumer spending and counts for majority of the overall economic activity. But the most important is usual facts, actual greater than forecast is good for currency. I didn't look at this like before coming to you. Maybe you'd be like, okay, like I wish you could replay this record from the beginning so that you see what you were doing use like now. Okay. So this is the actual data that we're working with right now. Okay. Close this file. Unemployment. If unemployment is okay, unemployment is still the same as last time, which means what? The dollar is continuity in its direction. Perhaps if it was higher, okay, the rate is 3.6, which means what? It's still stable. So they're expecting for much lower, 3.5, but they failed. It's still 3.6, which means what? The direction of the market is still the same. But let's say if it was higher, what could have then happened? If it was higher, then that's where we could have experienced what? That's where we could have experienced the that's why we could have experienced the like, which means the country's employment strategy was bad. So they need to employ more people in order for them to be able to gain the stability of the employment. So since it's the unemployed, they calculating the rate of unemployed people. So if there's more unemployed people, the rate is higher. That is bad for the country. But if the unemployment rate is low, which means the number of people which are unemployed is low, it should always be low. Okay, so that's why it is very important. For them, it was, for now, for this month, it was 3.6%, which means in America there is 3.6 people which are unemployed. But in South Africa, it's about 40 something plus, 40 something. So let not even go there, it's worse. So we have FOMC member speak, William. So that is why non-farm payroll was not that much powerful right now or volatile, because we have another speech coming in at 9:15. 9:15. Okay. So we're still waiting for that after an hour right from now. After an hour. So that's going to be 3:30. Okay, so that's where we're gonna see it. But for now, we're just gonna wait and hope that the market delivers what we expect. Okay. Right. Okay, let me go back to the chat. Any questions? Guys, I've been speaking for so long and my voice is dry. Any questions, please raise your hand if you have any questions. Show of hands, questions. What the time now? Oh, and another detail that is important during NFP. The first 15 minutes, learn to observe price. Okay, I broke the rule because I forgot. It's been a while since I've traded FOMC because last month I missed it. The previous month I also missed it. Like 2 months back I missed it. So another thing when you trade these things, you need to wait for 15 minutes just to watch price and then you jump in later on. Okay. So anyone have any questions? Questions. Okay. Let me share the other screen. Maybe we've already blown. Who knows? Welcome, talent. Onyetika, Penyo, J, Clarence, Elton, Tamba, Burn, Neo, Alpha, LT. So, like right now, I'm expecting for my prophecies to be fulfilled. I don't think I should be talking any much more. I want the dollar to fly up. I want the pound cable to drop, gold to drop, USD chief to rise. What else? I don't know if USD chief have any other fundamentals. Okay, because that could be lead to a delay in the market. Okay, it's coming back up now. So look, 1530. I told you price should come down prior going up. USD CAD as well, A, B, and then kind of going back to C. So the prophecies right now, I could say I'm 10% correct. 10% correct. I give myself that. Okay, let me move this line since we already here now. So that is where our attention was drawn to. Understand that over here. That's where our attention was drawn to, right? Because I think I started talking while the market was over here and informing about what to come. Oh, look at this. They even came lower than this price. Lower. Very good. Very, very, very good. Yeah, that's a good sign that we're going higher. Okay. USD, what's USD this? USD chief. USD chief. Yeah, look, came back here. Boom, it's going up. Very same level where I put your attention on. So it should be going. So you can still buy USD chief. Very, very low risk. Very, very low risk. Guys, my throat hurts. Look at this. Gold, that's why I hate gold. Look, I said you need to analyze exactly, and then where your stop loss is, make that your entry, and where your entry is, and then you move your stop loss to another place. And look, it went exactly to where I said entry, and then stop loss. That's why I hate gold, guys. Okay. Look at it. Look, even here it's created these equal highs and then went higher than them and then came back down. Higher than came back down. That's why I had my entry. So, what am I teaching you here? To trade against your own thoughts. Analyze perfectly and then move everything. Take the second trade. Look, entry, exactly I had my stop. So this is what happens when your stop get hit and then the market moves in the right direction and then you come back, you hit your girlfriend, you kick your dog, you slap your children, and then you go to the bar. Oh, you just blew your account. You have no money to drink. You hit the barber or the bartender, whatever. Just I don't know, guys, but I hope that you learned something from this today. I hope that you learned. Like my verse hurt right now. So you guys are gonna have to buy me Henneken. You have my number. Send me an e-wallet. Send it to the account number. You owe me beer. You owe me a beer. So right now I wanna see gold crash. But I'm tired, guys. I've been talking like millions. So tired right now. So look here, NFP entry. Look at how market is afraid. It's more like it's afraid of its price. Okay, more like he's afraid. What's the time now? 14:48. Okay, it's safer. Safer now. If anyone have any questions, please feel free to go to inbox me. Whew, guys, I'm tired now for real. So let me take your questions if anyone have. Sell GBP USD, buy USD, get buy USD chief. Don't sell gold. Only take the currency. Take forex. Don't sell metals. Okay, take forex only. Take forex. Yes, I want the. Okay, so I can see if anyone is asking any questions. No, just raise your hand if you have a question. Okay, raise your hand. So, face if you have a question. Okay. Okay, let's see. Talent, have no question. Alton, no question. Oyendika Chuku. Okay, I don't know how to say name. Kenyo Clarence Tambani on. I've already spoken to me. Okay, what else is this? So, yeah, but those are the signals. I speak markets, guys. Like, I speak markets. It's crazy, but it's true. I speak markets. Um, so the okay, let me do this. So I'm gonna keep repeating myself. So the A, B, C. This was A here. This was B here. Oh, this was C. So look at all that specific move. It's delivered exactly. So where am I wrong? So far, everything confirms itself. Let me delete this price because this was where our attention was drawn. Look, I said market is gonna drop. It was right there, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before before these 6 candlesticks were created, I knew where they should fit. I knew what should be where at what time. I just proven that to you. The market is not random. You don't just go and draw your stupid trend lines all over the market and think, the market should respect this trend line. It should fuck off. That's not what controls the market. That's not what controls the market. That's not what controls the market. Look, I gave this price 1.23556 ahead of NFP. Market went there. I said that the bodies should be below the index price. Then the market went up. It gave you the entry, did not go to a stop, and then now you're in profits. You take a sniper entry right there. It's a sniper entry. Where am I wrong? There's no robot, no indicator that I put on my chart. I've been talking this, I've been preaching Christ for the past 2 hours. I think I started this session. It's 11, 11:30. Imagine, 11:30. I've been live. I told you what should happen ahead of the event, ahead of NFP. I haven't even looked at the report. I haven't even looked at the thing. This is how I want you to trade. Know everything before it is painted. Everything should be in place. Everything should be in place. Okay. I know. Okay, look at this. This is what people do. You see the ABC pattern, and then this drop. Another stupid is gonna come later on, seeing this online and say that's a simple M formation. That's an M formation. I wasn't even looking at that. But now the person is gonna come, see the market being here, and say this was a nice M formation. Like, what? I don't trade those things. I don't trade those things. Okay, you guys are like, okay, I don't know, but like you've seen this like from the start. Look, gold is melting right now. Gold is melting. It's dropping. I told you ahead of time. Awa money. Awa. 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 Bon. 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 Bona. Ahead of time. Ahead of time, guys. Ahead of time. Look. So um this session is recorded. This session is recorded from the start. Okay, from the start. I will send it to you. Take your time tomorrow. Take your time tonight. Watch it up until this point as I'm speaking right now. It's still recording. It's still recording. 3 hour 19 minutes. 3 hour 19 minutes. Right where I am right now. It's 3 hour 19 minutes 15 seconds. Where you want to get to this point where I am right now. So you watch in the beginning, get everything as I'm saying up to this point. Up to this point. Okay. Up to this point. It's not guessing games. Okay, I could have shown you miraculous things that you've never seen any trader do, but I just chose to hold back. I just did the general thing. And the prophecy fulfills itself. Okay? Look. How many pips here? It's 45, 50 there. Close to hit target. Look. Just hit target. It's still going higher. It's not that it's stopping, it's going higher. Look at what the target is. C. Okay? I gave you the shot. I gave you the shot. 820 right there. What more do you want? Guys, like I told you that NFP, before NFP market should come above this black line, then it has to go down. When it goes down, it should go down at exactly 1530. Exactly, not around there, not maybe, not it could be, maybe it will, maybe it won't. Should break, retest. I said it should go above here. And if it's a tail, come down at exactly 1530 and then continue. And the market is doing that right now. And I repeated that throughout. Same thing here. Same thing here. Same thing here. Same thing here. What more do you want? What more do you want? So do not take my instructions and say, oh, this guy, he has lost it, he's not a trader, he's not blah, blah, blah. I speak markets. Okay? I could have, just like I decided, I held back. I just did minor things. Simple things of price action. I could have shown you more things. Let me look at how much I'm making right now. Okay, wait. First of all, let me look at Nasdaq. I didn't look at Nasdaq. No, that it's shut. This chart is untied. Look, it's crashing. It's crashing as well. It had to. Why? Because the dollar is powerful. So when the dollar is bullish, everything goes opposite. Always. As long as you live, as long as you brave. Always. Okay, I'm teaching. Like, I don't know you guys. You're saving nothing. What are you saving for? I'm here for you. Take the information I have, put it into the market, make money, leave me alone. Take what you have to take from me and then go your own path. You're done. You are done. Stop looking at these traders with rented cars and rented apartments and you think that is success. That is not success. That is not success. Because even if you get 1 million today, you're not just going to be rich. Because first of all, you need to maintain your family. You take that money, you put it in your family. You support your brothers, your siblings, you do everything. By the time you open your eyes, you have 50,000 rand in your bank account. Stop lying to yourself. Stop lying to yourself. Stop lying to yourself. Okay? Look at the reality here. Look at the reality. And that's what I present. That's what I present. Trade for a living. Stop lying to yourself. I can do this every day. I can do this every day. Every day. Every day. I can do this. I can do this every day. Okay. Go to the channel, this group. Go to this group. Look from last year. Pick whatever time you want. Look at the signal when it's after. Okay. When you find the after setup, look at the before setup. That's why I created Telegram. That's why I prefer Telegram, because evidence cannot be deleted. If I say something before, I cannot delete it. And I don't usually delete anything. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, I'm right. Okay, I never delete anything. Because I wanted whoever joins my channel late, they can see the things that I'm saying. They can take it, use it, validate it, and see where it fits in their lives. Apply it also. Okay? It always pays. Once you start listening to me, you will make money. Once you start listening to me, you will make money. It's not guessing games. I'm not saying that I'm trying to impress you. I'm not saying that. You're saving shit. There are people who've known me more than 3 years now. That's what annoys me most. They've known me more than 3 years and they're funding every month. Every month they're getting paid, they're funding accounts and they're blowing. They think they're smarter than me. They don't want to take mentorship. They don't want to take signals. They've lost more than they're trying to save by trying to bridge me. And that is not helping them. Okay? Take this knowledge, work it, own it, be your own boss. Be your own boss. That's the point. Get the freedom. Look, gold has shorted how much? 120 pips. 120 pips. Your account is doubled right there. It's doubled. Even if you went micro, it's doubled. Okay? Even if you went micro, it's doubled. Oh boy. Okay. Right. Anyone have any questions? All right. You guys don't understand how I want you to get this. Like, you really don't understand how I want you to get this. Look at this. 18,000 rand profit right now. As I'm speaking to you, I'm talking to you right now. 18,000 rand. Some of you have never made that in a day. 18,000 rand. GBP USD right now, the trade I took the other day is paying me 15,000 rands. Nasdaq 4,500. The other one 6,000 or 600. The second trade I took today is paying me 1.5, 1.6, 1,600 rands. USD Chief is giving me 800 at the moment. Gold is giving me 1,200 at the moment. Like today, I'm making 2,000, like 3,000. Just applying what I know, doing the same things that I've been telling you, but I made 3,000 today. That is even not a teacher's salary. Teachers make far less than this. Teachers make far less than this. And I'm making it in a day. Okay? And I'm making it in a day. So you decide. Take partials. Let me see use the card. So of course it just look, it's rebalanced. It went higher than this. You could have taken profit there. That's what I mean. Enter here, take partial there. What else? Here's the chief. You entered there, could have taken partial. As it's going up there, you take partials off. Minus spread. It could have hit in your TP. Some of you don't know that. When you set your TP, always minus spread. I'm telling you today. Always do that. Dollar index, it's just broke. Why did it break so heavily on this specific price? Why did it do that? Why? Why? You don't know. Okay, you don't know. And this is not just the whole event. There's still one more coming. The people who work with me, they know there's one more coming. Okay, they're not guessing price. They don't just wake up every day. I think it's gonna sell. I think it's gonna buy. Why? It just broke the resistance. Seriously, good. Just like I told the other guy, if you teach someone in your family or you teach your children what you know about forex right now, will they make money? Will they be able to make money? He said no. He said no. But he's still next week. He's still gonna use the same concept to make money that he's losing. But he already knows that what he knows does not pay. Today I shown you the value of the information I withhold. 18,000, 20,000, right here, live. But you want to see a balloon screenshot that is going to fill you with pressure. And you're like, wow, that's cool. Ah, la, la. I can do this every day. So, I don't know, guys, I'm tired of talking now. I'm done for the day. I need to go in town, grab some snack, KFC, whatever. Relax. So the target here is still set to be 22.78. So this thing, now we just have to wait for the pattern to complete itself. Break, take your stop loss, put it on the TP. You take your stop loss, you put it on the entry. Whatever your entry was, you lock the trade, and then you let it run. Okay, you let it run. Gold as well, take stop loss, put it on entry. Whether you entered there or you entered here, all were valid. But the one, okay, another thing or secret that I did not tell you is where you enter just like here. This was loss, remember? And then I told you do that and then you readjust it. And then this your stop becomes your entry. So the main entry we're going to take, that becomes your additional entry the second time you want to trade. So you entered here the first one, you entered here the second time. By the time the market reaches the second entry, you put your stop loss up there. put your stop loss up there, and then boom, you're done. Okay, that's what you should be practicing so that you know how this thing works for you. Okay, remember that. Remember that. So, looking at my other tools of creativity, okay, something that I never use. Okay, this will just confuse a lot of you. Let me even leave you hanging. This is not mentorship. Made money there, made money here. Right. Okay, let me see. There's no hands questions. Right, I'm done now. This is the end of the session. I've been online from 11 up until now. Okay, because I wanted to show you NFP ahead. My point was, what was the lesson that I wanted you to learn from this session? I want you to know your market before the candlesticks paint out. Okay, you must know what comes, what should happen, exactly what time, what price. That was my lesson today. And once you know that, what structures should form exactly where and how, then that's when you've graduated from the forex. From that level, you can never go back. From that level, you will never lose. From that level, you will never blow an account. Okay? You will never blow an account from that level. Once you know the things that I know, like, I don't know, there's no one I know that does the thing that I'm doing. There's no one. Once you understand the market at this level that I'm understanding and interpreting price and talking price, plain language, simple terms, then that's where you'll be able to make money. Then that's where you'll be able to make money. And the point is, you will never blow. Okay? You will lose up until when, I don't know, but you will never blow forever till you die. And you can take this, teach it to your children. Already, most of you have babies, you have kids. Okay, you can teach it to your partner. I don't have a kid. Like, I don't even have a baby. Like, it's just me now. I do have girlfriends. Okay, many of them because I can afford them. Okay, I've I have two. Okay, not that I'm a player. I have two. But okay, guys, I'm done. I'm tired of talking. My voice hurts. I need a beer. Jay, ngithenga lupia fethu. Ngithenga lupia fethu ngiyazalapha. Ngithenga lupia with Jay. Right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you really learned something from this lesson. It's recorded. I'm going to send it forward to the group. You can download it whenever you're ready. I'm not sure about the size of it, but if it's worth something to you, you're going to download it, watch it when you're available. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye.